Ano, maurag ka? This is the Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1 Finals. NCF Tigers versus the ATENEO Golden Knights. Powered by Omnidea. Presented by Elavil Tours Philippines Incorporated. GNN TV48 NAGA, BIDA and BIKOLANO. Safe Gasoline Stations. DELIGOLD Philippines. Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated. NAGA College Foundation Incorporated. Bounce Academy NAGA. MNL KINGPIN Camarines Sur. MARIANO Optical. MARQED Aesthetics and Laser Clinic. 3N Bakery. TRDV Construction and Supply. GILMAR CASA de DESCANSO. ARCO DIEZ. Bonnie and PIGGY Distributors. BICOL Concrete Hollow Blocks. NOLCAST Construction and Supply. HARDSHED Hardware and Construction Supplies. MACHICHU Boneless Fried Chicken. Nike Factory Store NAGA. City Hoops Trophy and Medal Store, the official designer and provider of the OBL Elavil Cup Season 1 trophies and medals. Also brought to you by Angela Trading, Lemon Zone, Claypot Restaurant and Cafe, Anytime Fitness NAGA, Superb Cots and Sew, KD Sportswear, Skytech Advertising, Crown Park Restaurant, Crown Hotel, Home Pet Naga City, Think Pro Incorporated, Pin Cafe, AET Ads, Taylor Swift, Laod Daltagon Siruma, Glass House Beach Resort, Lemon Residences, Tigers Cafe, Nagayon Travel and Tours, Bangkok's Kinalas, Jag Sportswear San Isidro Magarao, Ako BICOL Party List, Tan Dental Clinic, VDC Massage and Spa, Nixie Shop, Pearl Aesthetic Wellness and Beauty Center NAGA, Chicken Run, Chef Buster Cuisine, Mary's Coffee, Pro Ads Graphic and Signs, Digital Graphics NAGA, Green Plaza Food and Restaurant, Kuya Boy Halo Halo and Treats, Payless Baby Needs for Less.
Good afternoon, BIKOLANO. The most awaited finals game 2 of Oragon Basketball League is finally here. It is NAGA College Foundation Tigers versus ATENEO de NAGA University Golden Knights. Kasama ang inyong mga commentators this afternoon para magbigay sa inyo ng mga aksyong laban. I am Christina Canzarez, and with me is Rick Huerta.
Yan, talagang another match to watch para dito sa ating pangalawang pagtutunggali ng dalawang napakagaling na teams dito sa ating liga. Again, NCF versus ATENEO Golden Knights, and we are welcoming you all dito sa bagong venue, ATENEO GYMNASIUM, para dito sa pangalawang pagkaharap ng dalawang koponan nito. So meron po tayong best of 3 series. So pag nanalo dito ang NCF Tigers, sila na ang tatanghaling champion dito sa ating Season 1 ng OBL Elavil Cup. And of course, pag nakakuha naman dito ng panalo itong ATENEO Golden Knights, for sure, napakaganda ng ating Game 3, if ever. At of course, the fans talagang susuporta dito sa loob ng hardcourt.
Well, the big advantage is on the side of NAGA College Foundation Tigers as they get the first game sa ating finals. Napakaganda ng pinakitang performance dito ng NCF Tigers, and knowing na pinaghandaan to ng ATENEO Golden Knights, but that first game is really on the side of NCF Tigers for the offense, the defense, the game combination of the players here on the side of NCF Tigers. Talagang very visible na napakaganda ng performance nila dahil nga nagtala sila ng double-digit lead against ATENEO Golden Knights. So today, kailangan makuha ng ATENEO Golden Knights ang panalo if they really want to extend this series, and game number 3 is on.
Yes, talaga. A little bit of pressure on the side of ATENEO Golden Knights, knowing na hawak ngayon yung isang panalo on the other side of things. So, I'm sure prepared ito because again, home court. Andito tayo sa lugar ng mga Atenista. So, I'm sure pagkahandaan ito dito ng ATENEO Golden Knights sa ating game number 2. And of course, on the other side of things, NCF Tigers, no room for complacency because we know kung paano maglaro itong ating ATENEO Golden Knights, and knowing na nasa teritoryo sila ng kalaban. So, they really maximize those ball possession na kukuha nila on the side of NCF Tigers. Yan ang aabangan natin. And of course, pin live na live tayo sa ating mga media partner. We have the official Facebook page for OBL Elavil Cup, Oragon Sports TV, and GNN TV48 NAGA. Sa mga team bahay po at medyo malayo dito sa ating venue, tutok lamang po tayo sa ating live because sama-sama nating tunghayan dito at tuklasin kung sino ang makakakuha ng game number 2. And of course, dito sa loob ng ATENEO Gymnasium, kung sino man po ang malapit dito sa school ng ATENEO, pasok na po tayo para mapanood natin kung gaano kagaling ang mga atleta dito sa Bicol.
And of course, nasabi mo kanina, Rick, na itong ating ATENEO Golden Knights, bago yung kanilang court, kaya talagang kaabang-abang po ang magiging laro ng dalawang kupunan na ito. And of course, kung babalikan po natin yung first game, itong ating final series, yung NCF Tigers, it is a great performance coming from their team. Talagang yung mga nag-stand out na mga players dito from the side of NCF, we have Margallo, talagang itong sa side ng NCF Tigers, laging maganda yung kanyang pinapakita dito. We have Franco Mase, Joshua Ayo, the rest of the players of NCF Tigers, and also on the side of ATENEO Golden Knights. Well, hindi naman yun yung iniasahan natin magiging laro ng ATENEO Golden Knights, but we are wishing to watch another part of ATENEO Golden Knights. We want more. We want another game for this both teams, and also maganda din yung pinakita nila, knowing na nandyan sina Plaza, andyan sina Abrasaldo, Mon Arellano, and the rest of the players of ATENEO Golden Knights. So if they really want to win this game, they needed to do it first quarter pa lamang.
So yan, talagang matira matibay para dito sa ating pangalawang game sa ating finals. And of course, nabanggit mo na dito yung mga star players on both sides. So let's see kung magkakaroon silang ng magandang connection, contribution sa kanilang teams dito sa araw na ito. Because again, sila yung inaasahan dito ng kanilang mga fans, ng kanilang teams. Again, Margallo on the side of NCF, one of the most effective player on their side. Kailangan itong bantayan on the other side of things. Kailangan malimitahan dito yung kanyang point conversion. And of course, aabangan natin dito yung preparations nitong si Alwin Margallo because galing pa siyang Ilocos para sa ating palarong pambansa. So again, aabangan natin dito yung mga players sa side ng NCF. And sa side naman ng ating ATENEO Golden Knights, we have Mon Arellano. Isa sa mga consistent players from day 1 up until this finals game 2. On their previous match, yung game 1, Mon Arellano ang nag-step up on the other side of things. ATENEO Golden Knights, kailangan tulungan dito itong si Mon Arellano if they want to push this battle sa ating game number 3. So yan ang aabangan natin maya-maya. So thank you so much po sa ating mga live viewers. Nakikita nyo naman dito sa ating screen na nagkakaroon na ng tao dito sa loob ng ATENEO Gymnasium because again, maganda po ang matutunghayan nating match.
And of course, dito sa loob ng ATENEO Gymnasium, paunti-unti na pong pumapasok ang ating mga live audience. Kaya kung nandyan lamang po kayo, malapit kayo sa ating venue, talagang punta na po kayo dito para sa mas pina-intense na laro. Talagang ramdam na ramdam mo sigawan ng mga fans. Yung community ng ATENEO and NCF Tigers, talagang ramdam na ramdam nyo yung fighting spirit nila kapag andito kayo sa loob ng ATENEO Gymnasium. Pero kapag hindi talaga kaya, team bahay po muna tayo kasi live na live din naman tayo sa ating mga Facebook page like Oragon Sports TV, Janan TV 48 NAGA and Oragon Basketball League Facebook page. Kaya naman talagang aabangan po natin ang laro ng ating dalawang kupunan na ito. Ngayon, pinag-usapan na natin yung laro ng dalawang kupunan doon sa previous game number 1. But for our game number 2, ano kaya yung ipapakita nila? Most especially dito sa side ng NCF Tigers. Ganun pa rin ba yung opensa, depensa na ipapakita nila dito? Kasi napakaganda na nung ginawa nilang game plan dito sa game number 1 and they just need to continue doing that or even step up para doon sa laban nila ng ATENEO Golden Knights. And to hear an update from the side of NCF Tigers, we have our courtside reporter, Kyla. Hi Kyla! Anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tina. Good afternoon, Oragons, and to all our basketball fans all around the world who are watching us live via Janan TV 48 NAGA, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We are now on the most awaited game for today, the Game 2 of the finals. I am Kyla Casuya, all the way from the home of the champion, the NCF Tigers. To know their preparation for this Game 2 of the finals, so we have the head coach of the NCF Tigers, none other than Coach Brian Aike Ayo. Coach Brian, good afternoon. Coach, alam naman nating nakuha nyo na ang Game 1 at nandito kayo ngayon sa lugar, sa home court ng ATENEO Golden Knights. Ano po ba naging preparation nyo para masungkit nyo ang Game 2 at kayo ang tanghalin bilang kauna-unahang OBL champion?
We prepare yung mga lapses namin last time sa Game 1 and I know ATENEO will come back stronger, mag-a-adjust nila and also home court advantage nila. So, ang ginawa namin is mentally prepared yung mga players ko na whatever happens sa Game 2, we just to enjoy it and minimize namin yung mga lapses namin during the Game 1.
And Coach Bryson's mindset is very important for this game. Ano po ba yung mindset ng team at ano yung mga reminders nyo na alam nyong makakatulong sa kanila for this Game 2 of the finals?
Yung mindset nila, sabi ko, bigam underdog mindset lang na even though once we're up by 1-0, pero sabi ko, still, it's a 0-0 ball game. Kailangan namin manalo dito and don't worry sa namin, we will be coming back stronger for this game.
And of course, coaches, marami ang nakasubaybay sa atin ngayon via Janan TV 48 NAGA and Oragon Sports TV. Please invite our viewers to continue support the NCF Tigers.
We'd like to invite everyone, especially NCF Tigers community, to watch and support the NCF Tigers, support the Oragon Basketball League. Watch it dito sa Oragon Sports TV.
Thank you so much, Coach Brian. Best of luck. There you have it. That is the head coach of the NAGA College Foundation, Coach Brian Ayo. For now, balik sa inyo, Rick and Teen.
And thank you so much, Kyla, for that information and sa nalaman nating preparation para dito sa side ng NCF Tigers. According to Coach Bry, talagang pinaghandaan dito ng NCF itong game number 2. Bukod sa may pressure kasi sila na ang nakukuha dito ng unang panalo at one more game na lang or one more win, sila lang ang hihirangin na OBL champion this season 1. Nasa home court din tayo ng ATENEO Golden Knights. So, yun nga, kapaan talaga dito ng court and of course kung gagana ba dito yung game plan na inaral ng NCF Tigers para dito sa araw na ito. Yan ang aabangan natin, everyone. Maya-maya magsisimula na po ang bakbakan between ATENEO Golden Knights versus the NCF Tigers. Ayan, on your screen, we have the snapshot on the side of NCF Tigers. They're warming up para painitin na dito ang court sa loob ng ADNU Gymnasium.
And also sa side ng ATENEO Golden Knights, pinag-uusapan na natin dito yung mga players dito sa side ng Golden Knights. Of course, Ariano from elimination round, alam na natin kung paano sila dito maglaro, most especially him, talagang bigay todo para sa kanyang kupunan. Andyan din sila Fulgar, Valle, Domingo, Remoto, and the rest of the players of ATENEO Golden Knights. So this afternoon, this will be another redemption era for Ateneo Golden Knights. Titignan natin kung gaano ba sila kauhaw makuha yung kampiyonato against NCF Tigers. Of course, merong pressure silang nararamdaman ngayon knowing that NCF Tigers is just one game down to get the championship and they want to cut it down. Kailangan nilang makuha ngayon a good communication dahil ito yung naging kulang nila during last game and also yung kanilang opensa dito knowing na talagang mga big man itong sa side ng NCF Tigers at meron din tayong mga veteran players. So Ateneo Golden Knights, mga collegiate players, they need to step up, talagang bigay todo sa kanilang opensa at depensa. Kaya aabangan po natin. First quarter pa lang, titinan natin kung andyan na ba yung sigla ng Ateneo Golden Knights na gustong-gustong makuha at makita ng Ateneo community, Rick.
Yes, I'm sure yan din ang aabangan ng ating mga live viewers sa Oragon Sports TV, OBL Facebook page, and Genan TV 48 Naga. So tutok lamang po and magsha-shoutout po kami maya-maya. So comment down below kung sino ba yung susuportahan nyo. Sino ba ang mananalo this game number 2? Ateneo Golden Knights ba or NCF Tigers? Comment po kayo kasi maya-maya babasahin namin lahat ng mga comments nyo sa ating live stream. So yan, on your screen, the official warm-up on this game number 2. Paunti-unti na ngang napupuno ang ating Ateneo Gymnasium and of course, bagong makeover ang Ateneo Gymnasium. So, thank you so much para sa Ateneo sa magandang pag-welcome sa ating mga manunood and of course sa NCF Tigers para patuloyin dito sa kanilang hard court. And to know more about the preparation on the other side of things, the Ateneo Golden Knights, let's call our courtside reporter, Zai. Hi Zai, kumusta? Anong balita dyan?
Magis evening, Rick and Tin, and a Magis evening to our viewers here on OBL's official Facebook page and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is MARIANO reporting from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. We're down the wire with what's happening or what's shaping up to be an electrifying final series. And all eyes are now on Game 2. The Ateneo Golden Knights are looking to carry their momentum forward as they aim for the championship glory. Joining us today is a man, or should I say the man at the helm of their campaign, head coach Nuki Sabio. So Coach Nuki has been instrumental in steering the team through a challenging season, and now within the title, or within the reach of the title, we had to get his insight. So Coach Nuki, good afternoon to you, Coach. So this will be my first question regarding the finals. So Coach, heading into the finals of the Oragon Basketball League, how has your team prepared differently compared to their previous game?
Yung previous game ng Game 1, di ba? Masama yung performance namin at mentally we're not ready talaga nung Game 1 kasi I'm not saying this as an excuse. Nasabay kasi yung finals exams ng mga bata at saka yung finals. But you know, we're not backing down. It is what it is. We have to play it. So hopefully ngayon, iba yung maging resulta and mag-ibigay na effort, IQ, and experience ng mga players ko kasi pinag-aralan namin talaga yung nilaro namin nung Game 1.
That's good to hear, Coach Nuki. So, as we all know, there are a lot of excruciating, or should I say, amazing teams dito sa loob ng OBL. So, what do you think sets the Ateneo Golden Knights apart or aside from the rest of the competition?
Well, siguro yung namin, underdog mentality kasi alam nyo kami yung may dalawang talo nung eliminations eh. Tapos still, twice to beat versus USI and then still we able to recover. Nakapasok pa kami dito sa finals. Sabi ko sa mga bata ko, nandito na lamang na tayo sa finals. Panindigan na natin, laban na to. Sana umabot ng Game 3.
Well, thank you so much, Coach Nuki. Would you like to invite our viewers to watch or support our team today?
Ayun po, madami pa pong upuan dito sa loob. Madami pa akong vacant spaces sa bleachers. Pwede pa pong humabol. Sa lahat po ng mga basketball aficionados dyan sa buong Naga City at CAMSUR at yung Ateneo community na laging sumusuport sa amin, punta po kayo dito to support the Ateneo Golden Knights and also to support the NCF Tigers and also the league its own, the OBL, at para po mas maganda yung experience, mas maraming nanonood, mas masayang maglaro.
Thank you so much, Coach Nuki. Thank you. So the road to the championship is never easy, but with passion, discipline, and the heart, anything is possible. As the battle of the final seed up, one thing is certain is that the game goes beyond the court. So for now, we thank Coach Nuki Sabio and the ATENEO Golden Knights for sharing their journey with us. We'll be watching closely as they fight for glory in Game 2. I'm Sholomar Zaimeniano, and this has been your courtside exclusive live from the ATENEO grounds. Let's all hold on to our seats as we scream, "Go Ateneo! One big fight!" That's all for now. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Tin.
Thank you so much, Zaya. Yan nga dito sa side ng ATENEO Golden Knights. Well, it's Coach Nuki na nagsabi na during that game number 1, hindi siya excuse, but they're not yet ready for that game. But for now, looking at that performance of ATENEO Golden Knights, they need to be ready at this moment because this is a deciding game for NCF Tigers, but for ATENEO Golden Knights, may pag-asa pa. Kaya para sa community po ng ATENEO Golden Knights, if you really want to show your support, live na live po tayo dito sa loob ng ATENEO covered court, and of course sa ating mga Facebook pages, and of course live na live din po tayo sa ating YouTube channel, GYMNASIUM 48 NAGA. Kaya shoutout po sa lahat po na nanonood sa atin ng live sa YouTube. Shoutout kay Libra Girl Santos, kay Jonaila Basales, James Brenya at James Angelo Gabarda. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. In just a few minutes, we're going to start this much-heated matchup of NCF Tigers and ATENEO Golden Knights. Kaya Rick, ano ba yung pakiramdam ngayon para dito sa ating game number 2?
So yan, an intense matchup. For sure yan ang magiging outcome ng larong ito dito sa ating game number 2. So, balikan natin yung sinabi ni Coach Nuki a while ago sa interview. Ang mentality dito na hawak ng ATENEO Golden Knights is the underdog mentality. So, nasa finals na sila, so they need to push themselves para ipakita yung full potential nila dito sa paglalaro ng basketball and to extend this series into game number 3. So, very exciting for these both teams. Merong pinaglalaban na pride ang dalawang kupunan, and of course, their fan base. Itong dalawang kupunan na ito, ang pinakamaraming fans dito sa ating liga, and I'm sure ready na silang tumili, mag-cheer at kabahan para dito sa game number 2 ng OBL Elavil Cup Season 1.
Yes, of course, NCF and ATENEO will never fail their fans para sa isang magandang laban. Kaya yan ang ating aabangan po dito ngayong hapon na ito. Kaya naman para sa lahat ng nanonood po sa atin, maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Kaya naman talagang mamaya-maya labang po magsisimula ng bakbakang NCF Tigers and ATENEO Golden Knights Finals Game 2 only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, maurag ka? This is the Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1 Finals. NCF Tigers versus the ATENEO Golden Knights. Powered by Omnidea. Presented by Elavil Tours Philippines Incorporated. GNN TV48 NAGA, BIDA and BIKOLANO. Safe Gasoline Stations. DELIGOLD Philippines. Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated. NAGA College Foundation Incorporated. Bounce Academy NAGA. MNL KINGPIN Camarines Sur. MARIANO Optical. Market Aesthetics and Laser Clinic. 3N Bakery. TRDV Construction and Supply. GILMAR CASA de Descanso. ARCO DIEZ. Bonnie and Piggy Distributors. BICOL Concrete Hollow Blocks. NOLCAST Construction and Supply. HARDSHED Hardware and Construction Supplies. MACHICHU Boneless Fried Chicken. Nike Factory Store NAGA. City Hoops Trophy and Medal Store, the official designer and provider of the OBL Elavil Cup Season 1 trophies and medals. Also brought to you by Angela Trading, Lemon Zone, Claypot Restaurant and Cafe, Anytime Fitness NAGA, Superb Cots and Sew, KD Sportswear, Skytech Advertising, Crown Park Restaurant, Crown Hotel, Home Pet Naga City, Think Pro Incorporated, Pin Cafe, AET Ads, Taylor Swift, Laod Daltagon Siruma, Glass House Beach Resort, Lemon Residences, Tigers Cafe, Nagayon Travel and Tours, Bangkok's Kinalas, Jag Sportswear San Isidro Magarao, Ako BICOL Party List, Tan Dental Clinic, VDC Massage and Spa, Nixie Shop, Pearl Aesthetic Wellness and Beauty Center Naga, Chicken Run, Chef Buster Cuisine, Mary's Coffee, Pro Ads Graphic and Signs, Digital Graphics Naga, Green Plaza Food and Restaurant, Kuya Boy Halo Halo and Treats, K-Less Baby Needs for Less. Ano, maurag ka? This is the Oragon.
The world is our stage, and the NAGA College Foundation has a mission to prepare every student for their elite roles in the future. Here, we learn and we grow.
NESCA Class 2023 is candidate number 14, Iris Oresca of NAGA City. Congratulations!
Once again, your Oragon Magayon 2024. Candidate number 18, Iris Ignacio Oresca. Rain on the summertime.
I am Iris Ignacio Oresca, your Binibining Camarines Norte and Miss Kaogma 2023 and the Oragon Magayon 2024. And I am a Tiger champion. Welcome to the home of the champions. Welcome to the V Gallery and Museum, NCF's very own cultural hub that houses the humble beginnings of the NAGA College Foundation and its founder, Dr. Melchor T. Villanueva. Gallery and Museum is also a platform for promoting and preserving the BIKOLANO art and empowering Oragon artists. Now, Let's leap into the future. This is the NCF CHS Skills Laboratory, the home of Alex, a state-of-the-art AI-powered patient model simulator which revolutionizes practical learning for medical and health services students. Hi, Alex.
Hello.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling fine.
Alex offers an interactive platform that replicates a wide range of clinical scenarios, ensuring that the students are equipped with the skills and efficiency to excel in the healthcare industry. Another NCF investment on innovation is the NCF Criminal Justice Education Indoor Firing Range, the first world-class indoor firing range in BICOL. NCF is one of the top 10 schools in the Philippines recognized by the Commission on Higher Education Central Office as the Center of Development in Criminology, the cradle of BIKOLANO top-notchers. NCF has unveiled its state-of-the-art Language Center of the Year. This facility designed to elevate global learning and cultural competence. We are setting new standards in international education and securing a future of success for our students. Welcome to the newly opened Tigers Cafe 3. Nestled just below the NCF Language Center, the Tigers Cafe experience is a delightful blend of culture and comfort. We embody the farm-to-table concept, ensuring every bite is packed with quality and flavor. So here at the Agri-Technopreneurship Development Center, an organic farm in BICOL is where some of the supply of fresh, organic ingredients come from, which go straight to Tigers Cafe. This is the NCF training pool, where aspiring Tiger champions in swimming hone their skills. This world-class swimming pool offers the perfect environment for achieving aquatic mastery. The NCF values unparalleled safety and swift emergency response. That's why our fleet of dedicated patrol cars and ambulance service ensure a secure campus. This fully equipped ambulance is ready to provide immediate medical assistance. Also, here at NCF, you can embark on the road to confidence and mastery with our very own LTO accredited driving academy. Our modern vehicles are equipped with the latest technology and guided by expert instructors, ensuring that you learn to navigate the roads with precision and responsibility. Let your dreams take flight here at the NCF Wings, your gateway to soaring career opportunities in the aviation industry. Aspiring BIKOLANO flight attendants undergo a rigorous training in the state-of-the-art facilities equipped with mock cabins and cutting-edge simulation technology. And speaking of cutting-edge technology, NCF is a pioneer of innovation in science and technology in BICOL. The NCF Robotics and Virtual Reality Center is a hub of technological discovery and hands-on learning, a big leap into the future. NCF is committed to excellence and has been largely investing in education infrastructure. This newly constructed Basic Education Department Building 1 and the ongoing construction of Building 2 is a testament to how the NCF is shaping the future of learning and its dedication to providing the best possible educational environment for our students. Welcome to the NCF One Media STABR Media Laboratory. This laboratory is the center of creativity where imagination meets technology to shape the storytellers of tomorrow. A breeding ground for multimedia mastery and digital artistry. Now, this is the NCF Industrial World-Class Kitchen Laboratory where passion meets precision. Serving as a laboratory for our aspiring hospitality professionals, this state-of-the-art facility ensures students master the culinary arts from stove to plate. Looking back on my journey from a simple student to a proud beauty queen, I am overwhelmed with gratitude for the opportunities and support that have shaped me into who I am today. Each step of this tour reminded me of the lessons I learned, the friendships I forged, and dreams I was able to realize within these walls. To you, present and future Tigers, remember that greatness begins with belief. Belief in yourself, in your dreams, and in the unwavering pursuit of excellence. I shall forever carry with me the spirit of NCF, ang puso at dugong tigre.
Thank you for joining me, and may your own path be filled with as much joy, growth, and beauty as mine has been. Again, this is Iris Ignacio Oresca, and I am a Tiger champion.
I'm so completely yours.
Welcome to the main event. 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 Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Something that you won't forget. Welcome to the main event. You ain't seen nothing yet. Let's go.
Every great success story starts with the right foundation, and at NAGA College Foundation we've been building those stories for years. Here we don't just teach, we empower. We don't just educate, we inspire. This is where your winning journey begins.
Whether you're a dreamer, a doer, or a visionary, NCF is the place that prepares you to achieve greatness. It's not just about the future, it's about today, taking the steps that make you a winner in every sense, with an affordable tuition, quality education, and excellence in 22 sports programs, which NCF only has in a whole BICOL region.
At NCF, we've built a system that's designed for one thing, your success. The strength of NCF is in its system, a system built for real-world readiness. From modern facilities to internship that bring learning to life, we ensure you gain the skills that matter. It's a system that's designed with your future in mind.
Join us as we take you through the world-class facilities and departments that have shaped some of the most successful graduates, from leaders in business to innovators and technology to change makers in health and society.
The College of Arts and Sciences is where curiosity meets creativity. With state-of-the-art laboratories and innovative curriculum, the students in CASA are not only gaining knowledge, they're creating breakthroughs. At the College of Criminal Justice Education, we turn passion into profession. Our students are immersed in practical training and a real-world application, becoming expert in law enforcement, criminology, and legal studies.
The College of Business Management is a breeding ground for future CEOs, entrepreneurs, and business leaders. With cutting-edge facilities and industry partnerships, CBM students are prepared to lead with innovation and vision. At the College of Accountancy and Finance, we are molding future financial leaders with access to modern accounting software, hands-on practice and financial management, and a focus on real-world financial strategies. CAF prepares you to tackle the complexities of global markets.
The College of Health Sciences is where tomorrow's healthcare leader takes shape. Whether it's nursing, medical technology, or biology, our students are immersed in the latest technology and real-world medical practices.
At the College of Engineering, we don't just teach you how to solve problems, we teach you how to create solutions. Our students are equipped with the tools and the knowledge to tackle the challenges of tomorrow, from infrastructure to technology and everything in between. The College of Computer Studies is where technology comes to life. Here, students dive deep into software development, IT, and computer professionals to become digital leaders who shape the tech industry.
The College of Teacher Education is where future educators learn to inspire, lead, and make a difference. With hands-on teaching opportunities and access to modern teaching tools, seated students are equipped to become teachers who shape minds and mold future generations. Ready to join the ranks of NCF's successful alumni? Your journey begins here.
And we will always be called as tigers with fierce fangs and claws to conquer the burning success.
We are the home of the champions. As we create honorable titles and names for our institution, we leap into the future as we engage ourselves into modernity and innovation. Rise with the strength of Tigers. Choose NCF.
Ano, maurag ka? This is the Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1 Finals. NCF Tigers versus the ATENEO Golden Knights. Powered by Omnidea. Presented by Elavil Tours Philippines Incorporated. GNN TV48 NAGA, BIDA and BIKOLANO. Safe Gasoline Stations. DELIGOLD Philippines. Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated. NAGA College Foundation Incorporated. Bounce Academy NAGA. MNL KINGPIN Camarines Sur. MARIANO Optical. Market Aesthetics and Laser Clinic. 3N Bakery. TRDV Construction and Supply. GILMAR CASA de DESCANSO. ARCO DIEZ. Bonnie and PIGGY Distributors. BICOL Concrete Hollow Blocks. NOLCAST Construction and Supply. HARDSHED Hardware and Construction Supplies. MACHICHU Boneless Fried Chicken. Nike Factory Store NAGA. City Hoops Trophy and Medal Store, the official designer and provider of the OBL Elavil Cup Season 1 trophies and medals. Also brought to you by Angela Trading, Lemon Zone, Claypot Restaurant and Cafe, Anytime Fitness NAGA, Superb Cots and Sew, KD Sportswear, Skytech Advertising, Crown Park Restaurant, Crown Hotel, Home Pet Naga City, Think Pro Incorporated, Pin Cafe, AET Ads, Taylor Swift, Laod Daltagon Siruma, Glass House Beach Resort, Lemon Residences, Tigers Cafe, Nagayon Travel and Tours, Bangkok's Kinalas, Jag Sportswear San Isidro Magarao, Ako BICOL Party List, Tan Dental Clinic, VDC Massage and Spa, Nixie Shop, Pearl Aesthetic Wellness and Beauty Center Naga, Chicken Run, Chef Buster Cuisine, Mary's Coffee, Pro Ads Graphic and Signs, Digital Graphics Naga, Green Plaza Food and Restaurant, Kuya Boy Halo Halo and Treats, Kayla's Baby Beads for Less,
And we are back here sa loob ng ATENEO de NAGA Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng ating Game 2 ng OBL Elavil Cup.
Hustle and history in the making. Ladies and
Ano,
gentlemen,
maurag?
as we begin today's momentous event, we take a moment to bow our heads and seek guidance. Please rise for invocation to be led by Oragon Sports TV volleyball commentator, Mr. Yuji Nueva. Please rise.
Let us pray in the name of the Father, of the Son, of the Holy Spirit. Heavenly Father, we thank you for the gift of this game, for the strength, skill, and sportsmanship of every player. Bless this league, the organizer, coaches, and fans. Keep everyone safe from harm and injury. May this be a time of unity, respect, and fair play. Win or lose, may we honor you in all we do. In Jesus' name, in the name of the Father, of the Son, of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Please remain standing for the Philippine National Anthem.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Hayang mag-ibig, ay masasigang halang, halang ng puso, sa titik mo'y bumay. Upang binilang, tulad ka ng mag-ibig, sa mandulumi, di ka masisingil, sa nanalang tulog, sa simulat, sa dami ko walang, may hinatang tulang, sa pagkayang minamahal, ang isang lang matawad mo'y nagumpay manatili, ang ituloy na kalagang kailan, ang may pag-ibig, lumalang araw ng maraming pagsikap, buhay langit sa piling mo, ang ligaya ng pagkay marami, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
You may now take your seats.
BIKOLANO! Ano? Maurag ka? This is Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1 Championship Game 2! ATENEO Golden Eyes versus the NCF Tigers!
And now, to officially open today's finals Game 2, let us welcome a special guest with his opening remarks. Please give a warm round of applause for Oragon Basketball League Commissioner, Mr. MICHU. A round of applause, please.
Hello, good evening everyone. Welcome to the second game of our finals ng first ever Oragon Basketball League. First of all, I'd like to thank everybody for coming, for sharing your time with us. This is a very special event for the league because this is our maiden season and hopefully more seasons to come. Secondly, I'd like to thank the players for their dedication, and their hustle. And I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank the sponsors. Kung mayo tabi sinda, mayo kami igbi. So let the games begin and good luck to both teams. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Mike, the Commissioner of Oragon Basketball League.
And now, please welcome the NCF Tigers. Point guard, jersey number 8, Joshua El Granada Ayo. Point guard, jersey number 20, Franco Mase. Point guard, jersey number 1, EJ Balillo. Shooting guard, jersey number 14, Alwin Margallo. Shooting guard, jersey number 10, James Nuwada. Shooting guard, jersey number 9, Justin San Gabriel. Center, jersey number 18, Momoni Chimo. Center, jersey number 16, Eman Ojula. Center, jersey number 24, William Arenzana. Power forward, jersey number 7, Rui Bentito. Power forward, jersey number 13, Carl Gapito. Power forward, jersey number 88, Seth Balaje. Small forward, jersey number 19, Fredson Hermonio. Small forward, jersey number 27, James Catamora. Small forward, jersey number 16, Jomar Brito. Head coach, Ryan Ayo. Assistant coaches, Sal Gupilan, Dennis Estingor, and Ronnie Apolonio. Staff, Justin Lukban, John Abante. Team manager, Mr. Joel Villanueva. Team owner, Engineer Mario C. Villanueva. Once again, NCF Tigers!
Oragons, give it up for ATENEO Golden Eye. Forward, jersey number 21, Mark Daniel Bongala. Forward, jersey number 26, Stephen John Balen. Center, jersey number 61, Angelo Domingo. Forward, jersey number 16, Oscar Beltran. Forward, jersey number 23, Adrian Reymoto. Point guard, jersey number 9, Clark Allen Puerta. Center, jersey number 7, Samuel Madridano. Point guard, jersey number 17, Mark Christopher Plaza. Point guard, jersey number 14, Roser Monay. Forward, jersey number 10, Sid Ashley Abrasaldo. Shooting guard, jersey number 55, Solomon Aureliano. Shooting guard, jersey number 3, Makripulka. Forward, jersey number 13, Rodney Pulgar. Forward, jersey number 8, John Thomas Oriel. Head coach, Lucky Sabio. Assistant coaches, Mark Vasquez, Gab De Vera, R.K. Rombano, and Rosel Senora. Team manager, Jake Claro. University President, Reverend Father Arecital Arik DSJ.
And that's
officiating officials, Crew Chief Jomar Gorong. Umpire 1, Edmond Faraon. Umpire 2, Bonanong Jumangkera. Table officials, John Daliba and Lourdes Orsena.
Handshake!
that is our players for this ATENEO and NCF Finals Game Team matchup. Ito na po ang inaabangan ng lahat. For NCF fans, this is the deciding game for them. And for ATENEO Golden Knights, ito po yung pagkakataon para
for the NCF Tigers.
masungkit ng ATENEO ang isang laro at ma-extend ang series up to game number 3.
In a few minutes, magsisimula na ang bakbakan. NCF Tigers versus the ATENEO Golden Knights. Live po yan dito sa loob ng ATENEO de NAGA GYMNASIUM. And also sa ating mga media partner, we have the OBL Facebook page, the GNTV 48 NAGA, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And of course, it is a great journey we have here.
For the NCF Tigers, jersey number 18, Mermoni Chimo. Jersey number 24, William Arenzana. Jersey number 8, Joshua Ayo. Jersey number 1, EJ Palino. And jersey number 14, Alvin Margallo. First five for ATENEO Golden Knights. Jersey number 70, John Christopher Plaza. Jersey number 55, Salomon Aureliano. Jersey number 13, Rodney Fulgar. Jersey number 10, Ashley Apresaldo. And jersey number 7, Samuel Madridano.
At ito na po ang ating starting lineup for NCF and ATENEO Golden Knights. Talagang strong ang magiging bakbakan sa ating first quarter. Of course, the side of NCF Tigers, Palilio, Ayo, Arenzana, Margallo, and Chimo Mumuni. And on the side of ATENEO Golden Knights, we have Plaza, Abrasaldo, Madridano, Fulgar, and Arellano. And now this is our first quarter. Sino nga ba ang unang makakuha ng ball possession? It is in the side of ATENEO or NCF Tigers rather. Now Chimo passes to Arenzana for that first basket. Now first quarter pa lang, NCF, we can feel the determination to end the series and get the championship tonight.
What a great point conversion to start this first quarter on the side of NCF Tigers. So what would be the answer on the side of ATENEO Golden Knights for that 2 points on the side of NCF, and an early turnover on the side of ATENEO Golden Knights. So ball possession will go on the side of NCF Tigers to add their 2 points para dito sa ating unang quarter.
Now, for this game, we want to see a different kind of game for the side of ATENEO na hindi natin nakita during that game number 1. Yung depensa nila, yung offensa, communication ng mga players dito, we hope to see more on the side of ATENEO Golden Knights. Now with this game highlights, first point para dito sa side ng NCF Tigers, nakuha na nga nila. And on that last sequence, brought to us by 3N Bakery. Now, first basket para dito kay Arenzana. Now for his second free throw, a good start para dito sa NCF Tigers. But let's see kung anong gagawin ng ATENEO Golden Knights para bumawi at makakuha ng kanilang unang puntos.
So, 4 straight points on the side of NCF Tigers. Mon Arellano passing it to his teammate, and now Fulgar to Plaza. An attempt for 3, unsuccessful. Nandun si Arenzana for that rebound. Nagmamadali dito ang NCF. Margallo passing it to his teammate Palilio. Mabibitawan ang bola, and andon si Rodney Fulgar passing it to Plaza to get their first point dito sa ating set, or rather quarter 1.
So, yun yung hinahanap namin dito sa side ng ATENEO Golden Knights. Yung pagkuha ng mga steals, ng ball possession, And then yung mga fast break nila, ito yung gustong-gusto nating makita sa side ng ATENEO Golden Knights. And now, once again, Plaza passes now to Fulgar. 18 seconds to shoot here. Now, nagkakagawan dito. Mariano gets it. Back to Plaza now. Too much power on that one, so a turnover. No, nakakadalawang turnover na para dito sa side ng ATENEO Golden Knights. They need to lessen that first quarter pa lang. Kailangan wala na. Because knowing NCF Tigers, hahabol, gagawa ng kalamangan dito. So let's see kung paano ba natin ipagpapatuloy itong ating first quarter. Now, that will be the ball possession of ATENEO Golden Knights.
So far, tight defense ang ipinapakita ng dalawang kupunan. That's why nahihirapan ditong pumasok sa loob ang kanya-kanyang opensa for these both teams. Meanwhile, Plaza with that mid-range jumper, no good. Gimo securing that one on their side. Itatawid dito ni Ayo ang bola, passing it to Palilio. Heavily guarded here. Margallo for 3. No good. And the ball possession mapupunta on the side of ATENEO after that turnover committed on the side of NCF.
Well, it's very different first quarter kasi doon sa ating game number 1, first quarter pa lang, few minutes of that quarter, ramdam na natin yung NCF Tigers. But now, with this determination of ATENEO Golden Knights, medyo nahihirapan din itong NCF Tigers, and this is a good thing for the side of ATENEO Golden Knights. But Chimo was there to snatch that ball, get the basket, add a point for NCF Tigers.
Look at that pass on that last play on the side of NCF. Nasibat pa nga doon si Chimo on the side of NCF. So ito yung pinag-aralan dito ng NCF. Yung galaw kung paano makakalusot yung mga opensa dito ng NCF. And now, jersey number 13, Fulgar, nagpapakawala ng tres. Unang tres para dito sa ating laro.
Now, inside shooting of ATENEO Golden Knights. Hindi nakita during that first game. And now, looking at the performance of ATENEO Golden Knights, nakikita natin na magiging magandang bakbakan to as we continue this quarter and the next quarters that we have. But Chimo Moni is revelation for our first quarter. This is another point para dito sa ating quarter. And also, he is a big man, offense to defense. He gets it. Now Plaza, 12 seconds to shoot here on the side of Golden Knights. Heavily guarded. Plaza looking for his teammate. Now, Fulgar once again. But a whistled foul. So he will be on that free throw line for 2 shots there. Now, as we are almost an hour halfway of our first quarter, 3 puntos lamang ang kalamangan dito ng NCF Tigers. At nakikita natin yung changes dun sa game plan ng ATENEO Golden Knights. We hope that it will continue up until the end of this game. But of course, we want to shout out our live viewers po dito sa ating Facebook page. Shoutout kay Jot Abante, Charik Palilio, Carl Reposque o Repoxe, Tas Kinsey at kay Irene Tosok. Maraming salamat po. And of course sa ating mga YouTube viewers, maraming salamat din po sa inyong panonood kina Isay, Rodel Gamis at kay Libra Girl Santos. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay.
So foul was whistled to Fulgar on that last sequence. First personal foul para dito kay Fulgar. Again, for both teams, they need to minimize their errors and their fouls. Now, nagkakainita na dito sa loob ng ating hardcourt. What a great steal para dito sa ATENEO Golden Knights. And look at that. Abrasaldo with that point.
But
wow.
Also, big thanks to Plaza for that assist. Actually, dito sa ating first quarter, Plaza is the man for ATENEO Golden Knights. yung communication niya sa mga kapwa niya players andun eh. Ang ganda ng first quarter on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Look at that on our last sequence. Plaza to Abrasaldo, getting a beautiful shot there. Now a point lead of Ateneo. Plaza once again passes to jersey number 21. Abrasaldo now for 3. That's good! Ateneo is in the game for our first quarter. What a good way para simulan sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights.
Great run on the side of Ateneo, pushing NCF to their limits dito pa lamang sa pagsisimula ng ating quarter. And again, the intensity between these players inside this hard court, very evident as early as 4 minutes and 50 seconds remaining para sa ating first quarter. Wow! Talagang nakikita na natin dito na no more petics for both teams because this game is very crucial and very important for both teams. Talagang kailangan pagtrabahuan ng maigi ng dalawang kupunan if they want to bring pride and championship to their school and to their home.
Well, this is what we're talking about. No complacency on the side of NCF Tigers because knowing Ateneo Golden Knights, they will push to their limit and we've seen it. Dito sa ating first quarter, ang ganda-agad ng pinakita nilang performance. This is very different from our last game. So we hope na ganito yung magiging laro ng Ateneo Golden Knights hanggang sa huling quarter ng laban na ito. And in sense 1, now let's see kung anong pambawi dito ng NCF Tigers. 4 minutes and 28 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Now that's a long three coming from Palilio. But no good on that one. An opportunity arises for Ateneo Golden Knights now. 10-12 on our scoreboard. Now let's see. Plaza tatawid ng bola. Passes to Fulcar. Now Abrasado once again on the same spot. And he gets it again. Abrasado for our first quarter. Nakakadalawang tres na po sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights. At talagang tuwang-tuwa yung Ateneo community with this kind of game of Ateneo. Na-miss nila yung ganitong aksyon ng mga players. Now, Margallo. It was a foul there. Medyo tahimik dito sa side ng NCF Tigers, si Alwin Margallo.
Foul jersey number 17.
Let's take a look at it again with that 3-pointer coming from Abrasaldo, the same spot ng kanyang unang 3-pointer sa ating first quarter. Now, Alvin Margallo on that free throw line for 2 shots here.
So let's talk about Abrasaldo on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Doon sa ating game number 1, first 5 din itong si Abrasaldo. So napakaganda ng shuffling dito on the side of Coach Nuki for making Abrasaldo on their first 5. Talagang nagugulo dito yung napag-aralan na depensa at opensa ng NCF because of the shuffling of players on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights, which is very successful on the side of Coach Nuki. Look at that, Abrasaldo with that back-to-back 3-pointers. So, looking good para dito sa pagsisimula ng ating game number 2.
Now, NCF Tigers, at this point, they have this pressure na nararamdaman. Margallo. A foul whistle there. 12-15. Well, it's a good thing na nagagawa ng paraan dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights na nasa kanila yung kalamangan dito. A good momentum that they started for this first quarter. Now, triple ka. Checks in para dito sa ating first quarter. And as you can see, Abrasaldo, magpapahinga muna dito sa ating unang quarter. But let's see, ano ba yung maging pagkakaiba without Abrasaldo inside the court here for the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, Margallo for his second free throw.
And Ateneo should be cautious with their fouls because nasa penalty situation na ang kanilang kupunan. Successful para dito kay Margallo on his second attempt. So 1-point lead on the side of Ateneo. Chance for them to add their lead here. Monay passing it to Beltran with 18 seconds to shoot. Tripulca heavily guarded. Passing it to Madridano, and now Monariano fires for 3, unsuccessful, and a whistle coming from our referee. Another foul was committed on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. And mismong magkakaroon ulit dito ng free throw opportunity itong NCF because of the penalty situation on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. So, a lot of fouls and errors ang nakukumit dito. Kailangang bawasan ng dalawang kupunan if they want to strengthen their lead para dito sa ating game number 2. And Franco Mas ipapasok on the side of NCF Tigers.
Now Hermonio for his second free throw. That's good. Now, Ateneo again on the offense. Monay passes to Madridano with 17 seconds to shoot here. But an offensive foul. Para dito sa side ng Ateneo. Or it will stay on the side. Yes, it will stay on the side of Ateneo. Tatawagan dito ng foul si Franco Mase. Now 16 seconds to shoot on the side of Ateneo. Another three-pointer. No good. Hermonio with that rebound. Passes to Nuwada. Goes inside. Denied here. And nagmamadali Arellano. Toss for a while. Given to Monay. Tripulca now with 17. Try for a long two. No good. And Larenzana getting that ball.
Hermonio itatawid ang bola, passing it to Arenzana. And foul was whistled. Another foul on the side of Ateneo. So automatically Gimo will be having 2 shots on the side of NCF Tigers.
2 minutes and 21 seconds remaining for our first quarter. At napapatawag nga po dyan ang timeout. Ang Ateneo Golden Knights, 16-15. Low scoring po tayo dito sa ating first quarter. Knowing that it is an intense one. Grabe yung depensa ng NCF Tigers. Grabe din yung scoring ng Ateneo Golden Knights dito. Most especially on that first part of our first quarter. We're in Abrasado on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Pulling up his scored 3-pointers yung inilalabas dito sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights. So, let's see if this will continue this kind of momentum on their side. Lalo na ngayon na 1 puntos na lamang ang hawak ng NCF Tigers na kalamangan dito against Ateneo Golden Knights. And of course, ang dami-dami na pong nanonood dito sa loob ng Ateneo Golden Knights. As you can see on our screen, the fans of Ateneo and NCF cheering for their team. Ateneo community and NCF community watching live here sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium. Now as we go back with our game, how can Ateneo make sure that the first quarter will be on their side, and how will NCF make sure also na lumayo sa puntos na yan ng Ateneo Golden Knights? Now, first free throw of Chimo is good. Now even sa free throw line, yung percentage din dito ni Chimo, grabe yung improvement all throughout this OBL journey. And of course, maraming salamat din po as this is the second game of our finals. Talagang ang dami din po nating nakasamang mga teams. Ang gaganda ng ipinakita nilang performance at dalawang kupunan ang natira sa huli. Ateneo and NCF, but look at that. NCF Tigers getting that rebound. An opportunity here. 2 puntos sa kalamangan ng mga Tigre. Now Hermonio passes to Mase, fighting his teammate. Hermonio with 9 seconds, pass to Gimo, but Ariana gets it. Now let's see on the side of Ateneo. Domingo loses it. He lost opportunity for Ateneo. Now Franco Mase stopped for a while, looking for his teammate here with 17 seconds to shoot. Nuwada, tapik sa kabila. Now Tripulca. But a whistle foul there.
foul, jersey number 20. That is
Great
second
exchange
personal foul.
of great defense.
1-4 penalty.
Talagang pinag-iigihan nitong dalawang kupunan ang depensa sa loob ng hard court. 17-15 is our score. 2-point lead on the side of NCF. Domingo passing it to Tripulca with that 3-pointers. Unsuccessful, but andoon ang offensive rebound coming from Domingo with that mid-range jumper. Wala pa din, and the ball stays on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Chance for them to tie this match up or even take the lead para dito sa unang quarter ng ating laro.
Now Ateneo pauses for a while here, yung kanilang momentum. They're trying to get it back now. But NCF, medyo andyan, sasabihin na hindi muna. Stop for a while because it is our time to shine. But look at that. A lost opportunity for NCF Tigers as Gabino loses that ball possession. Now, Ateneo needs this one. They're stuck on 15 here. 57 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Beltran still trying here to get a point. But mukhang huminto on the offense itong Ateneo Golden Knights. Sermonia passes to Mase. 15 to shoot. Mase. An offensive foul. But the officials will review that last sequence between Betito and one of the player of Ateneo Golden Knights. And while the officials reviewing that last sequence, we would like to thank our dearest live viewers sa ating Facebook page, kina Arvin Nick Salvo, kay Sir Pacoy Colleen Claro, at kay Casey Anchokya. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. And also, ito nga rin, pinag-uusapan na din natin yung naging journey ng OBL, the very first season of Oragon Basketball League. Well, we started with 8 teams, now down to 2. But of course, we would like to thank our teams na sumali po dito sa ating unang season ng Oragon Basketball League. Of course, we have the ACLC Hawks, Safe Chastar Masters, Carcido Motors, JB Hearts, andyan yung ating mga veteranong mga players from CAMSUR Express, also USI Falcons. Big revelation for our Oragon Basketball League. Napakaganda ng performance nilang pinakita during that semi-final round against Ateneo Golden Knights. Of course, andyan din ang UNC Tri-Fit NAGA and also the two NCF Tigers and Ateneo Golden Knights. Kaya abangan natin, Rick, sa Season 2. Ano pa nga ba? Sino pa bang teams ang sasali? And of course, yung mga veterano, mga players, sino yung makikita natin for our second season?
Yes, yan ang aabangan natin sa ating magiging Season 2 ng OBL Elavil Cup. Siyempre, mas paiinitan pa ang pangalawang season. But look at that replay, yung nireview ng ating officials. So matatawagan nga dito ng technical foul ang player ng NCF Tigers, jersey number 7, Betito. Technical foul ang itatawag.
Now as we continue for our first quarter, 36 seconds remaining here. Now, both teams are on the penalty. 17, 15, and now just a 2-point lead of Ateneo Golden Knights, but 11 seconds on the side of NCF Tigers. So let's see how will they come up with a strategy here to get a point. Murada, 4 to shoot, loses it. Ateneo on the run. Beltran looking for his teammate, passes to Tripulca. Now Tripulca goes inside with double team. No good. NCF with that 14 seconds to shoot. Tripulca, snatch it! But loses it. Now dito sa ating first quarter, nung lagpas natin ng half ng first quarter, medyo huminto yung scoring dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights nung pag-exit lang ni Abdosado. But still with the 6 seconds, on the side of NCF. It will stay on their side here. 4 seconds to shoot. Still, 2-point lead of NCF Tigers. Let's see if they can get a point here. 4 seconds remaining. Hermonio. Pass to Batito. But a whistle foul. So he will be on that free throw line for 2 shots. And .99 remaining.
Foul jersey number 23. That is your first personal foul.
Nabanggit mo kanina, Tina, medyo nahinto yung ating point conversion for both teams. At kitang-kita naman kung bakit. Because of the tight defense for both teams. Nakita natin yung mga fast face plays for both teams, yung steals. Talagang napakaganda ng ipinapakitang depensa for these two teams. That's why medyo low scoring tayo dito sa unang quarter. Another 1 point was added on the side of NCF after that free throw shot coming from Betito. And that's the end of our first quarter. 18-15, abante dito ng 3 puntos ang side ng NCF Tigers. Don't go away because when we come back, makikita natin at matutunghayan ang ating pangalawang quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, maurag ka? This is the Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1 Finals. NCF Tigers versus the ATENEO Golden Knights. Powered by Omnidea. Presented by Elavil Tours Philippines Incorporated. GNN TV48 NAGA, BIDA and BIKOLANO. Safe Gasoline Stations. DELIGOLD Philippines. Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated. NAGA College Foundation Incorporated. Bounce Academy NAGA. MNL KINGPIN Camarines Sur. MARIANO Optical. MARQED Aesthetics and Laser Clinic. 3N Bakery. TRDV Construction and Supply. GILMAR CASA de DESCANSO. ARCO DIEZ. Bonnie and PIGGY Distributors. BICOL Concrete Hollow Blocks.
And we are back for our second quarter of this finals game 2 of NCF Tigers versus ATENEO Golden Knights. And as we can see on our scoreboard, 18-15, 3-point lead of NCF Tigers. But also, let's commend ATENEO for giving us a good first quarter. At medyo nahirapan na nga sila nung pagpasok ng 5-minute mark sa ating first quarter. Nahinto yung scoring dito, yung magandang scoring ng ATENEO Golden Knights. But also, let's shout out the President of NAGA College Foundation, Mr. Mario C. Villanueva. Maraming salamat po sa inyong paghanda. But of course, sa mga supporters din po ng ATENEO Golden Knights, maraming salamat sa pagpunta dito sa loob ng ATENEO GYMNASIUM. Now, Golden Knights on the offense here. Tripulka, 10 seconds to shoot. Heavily guarded. At nakuha na nga ng NCF Tigers. Grabing defense ang pinapakita dito. Pero that will be an early turnover. ATENEO getting that ball possession.
Wow! Napakaganda. Unang 1 minuto para dito sa ating pangalawang quarter. Talagang kitang-kita natin dito yung eagerness ng dalawang koponan para mapasa kanila ang every ball possession. Now, Plaza may hawak ng bola. And another foul was whistled. Jersey number 21, Bongalia on the side of ATENEO. (18-15) is our score. Ball possession will go on the side of NCF Tigers. Nowada to inbound. Passing it to Hermonio. And now, anong gagawin dito ng NCF with this 12 seconds remaining? Offensive rebound coming from Betito. Andon si Hermonio. What a great pass, but unfortunately, ATENEO stealing that one. Wow! Mon Arellano getting that ball on their side. Look at this.
The defense
Eyes on the ball para dito kay Mon Arellano.
Well, the defense of ATENEO Golden is very visible for our second quarter, but let's also commend doon sa ating first quarter dito sa side ng ATENEO Abrasaldo. But ATENEO still continues to give us a good match here. Both teams showcasing a great gameplay. Now it was on foul on that last sequence. Fulgar will be on that free throw line. This will be the first basket, if ever, of ATENEO. No good on that first one. Let's see if they can get the first basket for our second quarter. 18-15 still on our scoreboard. Fulgar, second free throw. ATENEO community supporting them. Now, that's good. First basket ng ATENEO dito. After that first quarter, ngayon na naman lang ulit nakapagpuntos itong ATENEO Golden Knights. Pero hindi na pag-iiwanan because of that defense na pinapakita nila dito.
Now NCF Hermonio, what a block, but an offensive rebound on their side. 3-pointers para kay Nuwada. Andon si Hermonio for that offensive rebound. Passing it to Betito, libreng-libre. Wow, what a great turn and what a great layup on that last sequence para dito sa NCF. Another 2 points was added on their side.
Now, Plaza. Ball would stay as Nuwada with that last touch. 12 seconds to shoot sa side ng ATENEO. Oh, but Gabino was there to snatch it. Napakabilis with that fast break. Gabino. Munti ka na para dito kay Plaza. That will be a whistled foul.
(22-16) is our score. NCF leading para dito sa ating pangalawang quarter. Tripulca passing it to Beltran. Guarded here. And now Mon Arellano forcing that one. Goes inside for that layup. Napakaganda para dito kay Mon on the side of ATENEO.
Well, it's a signature move. Arellano inside. At di alintana yung mga gwardya ng mga Tigre. Now Hermonio passes to Base. 12 seconds to shoot here. Betito tries. No. Tripulca getting it, but that ball will stay on the side of NCF Tigers as Beltran with that foul.
Ayan, team. Quick shoutout naman tayo sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout dito kay Paul Ivan Victorio Osmundo Francia, kay Rigi Santa Rosa, kay Aljon Adayo at kay JM Acido. Thank you so much and happy watching.
Now, 14 seconds on the side of ATENEO. Nuwada. Down to 5. Tries for a 3-pointer. No good. But Betito getting that rebound. Pero naubusan ng shot clock dito. So it's not counted on the side of NCF Tigers. Now, still, meron pang opportunity itong ATENEO Golden Knights. Hindi po nagkakalayo yung kanilang puntos dito sa ating second quarter. 22-18. Now Tripulca, stop for a 3. Still no good on that outside shooting sa ating second quarter. No, Nuwada nagmamadali. Again, Betito. And now, to hear an update on the side of ATENEO Golden Knights para dito sa ating second quarter. Andiyan ating courtside reporter na si Zai. Hi Zai, check it away.
Maraming salamat, Rick and Tin. Here we are at the beginning of the second quarter, and already we're seeing big adjustments on both ends of the floor. Halatang gigil na gigil ang Knights. The energy from the bench says it all. One moment had us all chuckling when Coach Mark blurted out, "Bigyan nyo na ng unan yan," after one of his players seemed a little too chill on the floor. And you know, it's serious when a coach starts handing out imaginary pillows mid-game. Baka akala niya dorm room yon, hindi court. Hopefully that power nap was just a glitch and not a full-on sleep mode. But now it's a different story defensively. The Knights have tightened up, rotating quicker and contesting every shot. They're clearly more locked in. And in terms of offensive, they're clicking into place with fixed positions and sharper timing. They've been executing smarter sets. A key moment was when Coach Nuki Sabio signaled for a staggered screen, beautifully freeing up their shooter at the top of the key for a smooth jumper. Then came another smart adjustment. They ran a horns down set, starting in that familiar two big formation at the elbows before one of the bigs slipped down to the low post. It pulled the defense in just enough to create a driving lane for the power point guard. It's a subtle play, but it shows how well the Knights are adjusting their attacks, mixing, screens, spacing, and timing to throw off the defense. Yan lang ang updates dito sa side ng ATENEO Golden Knights. I still have a lot of updates coming up sa mga susunod na quarter. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much for that, Zay. Napakaganda ng bilin dito ni Coach Nuki on his player. Igtingan ang depensa. With that staggered defense on the side of ATENEO, nahihirapan ditong umopensa itong NCF. And look at that, 2 points away on tying this match up para dito sa ating ATENEO Golden Knights. Samahan pa yan ng steal ni Mon. Wow! Mon Arellano. Napakaganda. The effort, the eagerness, the heart para dito kay Mon. Napakaganda ng pinapakitang performance on the side of ATENEO. But unfortunately, 2 missed shot para dito kay Mon Arellano to add their score. One more time for him to lessen the gap na hawak dito ng NCF Tigers.
And he still did get it. The third free throw. The second free throw. Yeah, the third free throw of Mon Arellano. Well, it's very new for us knowing that Mon Arellano having a high percentage on that free throw line. And he didn't get a single basket on that one. So let's see. Let's still see on how Mon Arellano will keep up with the game against NCF Tigers. 22-20. That's still a good score for ATENEO Golden Knights. But right now, we can hear an update on the side of NCF Tigers. Hi, Kyla. What's the update there?
Thank you, Rick and Teen. We are now on the last 5 minutes of the second quarter for this game. Dikit man ang laban during the first quarter. Nanatiling compose ang Tigers dahil kailangan nilang mas maging compose dahil lumamang ang Golden Knights, pero agad naman nila itong binawi. A while ago during the timeout, the coach Bry continuously reminds the team with the proper position and roll inside the court. Kailangan nilang huwag mapadali, lalo na paghawak ang bola because it leads to turnovers. Dahil home court advantage ito, kailangan nilang bawasan ang kanilang mga error. Paalala ng coaches, kailangan nilang maibalik ang laro na pinakita nila during the first game. Home court advantage and not the hindrance. Unang update for now, balik sa inyo, Rick and T.
And thank you so much for that update, Kyla. So yun, both teams talagang gustong-gusto ditong makakuha ng puntos. And with that, defense is the best offense para dito sa NCF. Kailangan ding paigtingin ang kanilang depensa because of that movements coming from ATENEO na talaga namang nabibigla dito yung kanilang game plan. That's why, according to Coach Brian Ayo, kailangan pag-igihan dito, doblehin ang depensang hawak ng kanilang kupunan. And look at that, after that, huddle on the side of NCF. Another 6 points ang naidagdag dito sa kanilang kupunan. And with that, 26-20 is our score. Let's see after this time out kung kanino mapupunta ang sunod-sunod na point conversion.
Well, of course, as we all know, ATENEO, this is a very different second game for them. So we all know that they will get back on their feet. Also, doon sa ating mga star players on the side of ATENEO, Mon Arellano, Abrasaldo, Fulcar, and the rest of the players of Golden Knights, they need to step up because second quarter, it is on the side of NCF Tigers because looking at our 6-point lead there, napakabilis lang kunan ng kalamangan dyan ng NCF Tigers. So no room for complacency, even NCF Tigers with this one game apart from ATENEO Golden Knights. Still no room for complacency kasi hindi natin alam kung ano yung pwedeng mangyari dito. Kasi sabi nga natin, bilog ang bola. Ang daming pwedeng mangyari dito. Now, Beltran, still no good on that outside shooting of ATENEO. NCF Tigers. Brito with that lead three-pointer. Now, still, I think this is the biggest gap for our game. ATENEO down by 9 points. Now let's see here. Pulgar, they need a point conversion. Abrasaldo. Mentes para dyan sa kanyang 3-point attempt. Now another opportunity here for NCF, but this time, San Gabriel, no good. Brito. What a fast man there for our second quarter. Big man Brito getting that 5-point sa ating ilang segundo lamang. Now, with 15 seconds to shoot, Pulgar. A whistled foul there.
Foul jersey number 88. That is your first personal foul. Penalty. Substitution.
Pulgar on the free throw line for an opportunity on the side of ATENEO Golden Knights. NCF Tigers on the penalty side. 31-20 is our score. Unsuccessful in that first attempt. One more time for him. This time, makakapasok na on the side of ATENEO. Now, NCF Palillo. Tatawid ng bola on their side. Heavily guarded by Tripulca and Plaza. Muntik pang magawan, but look at that! Napakaganda sana noon on the side of NCF, but hindi pumasok. Now, Mac Tripulca for the 3-pointers! And successful on that one.
Now, ATENEO getting that point. NCF Tigers. 8 seconds to shoot.
Foul jersey number 17. That is your second personal foul. Third team foul.
Now, 10 seconds on the side of NCF Tigers. That ball will go on to the side of ATENEO Golden Knights. 31-24 on our scoreboard. Ang ating NCF Tigers po ay nasa penalty na. 2 minutes and 36 seconds remaining. Now Pulgar. NCF snatch it. Brita passes to Palillo. There passes to Palae. No good. ATENEO snatch it once again. Tripulca on the run. Good try, but that will be a traveling violation committed by Tripulca. So at this point, 7-point lead of NCF Tigers.
And now NCF, San Gabriel to Palillo. And now Brito. Great defense coming from Mac Tripulca. 9 seconds on the shot clock para sa NCF. And the ball possession will go on the side of ATENEO Golden Knights. Wow. These two teams talagang match na match para dito sa ating hardcourt. 31-24, a minute and 56 seconds remaining para sa ating first half. ATENEO Golden Knights to inbound. Abrasaldo to Monay. Monay, may hawak ng bola. Taking their time here. Pulgar to Tripulca. 12 seconds to shoot. Kanino ibibigay? Andon si Monay. Heavily guarded here. No good on that attempt. Now, back to NCF ball possession. Chance for them to add their lead with that Brito 3-pointers. Unsuccessful. San Gabriel with that offensive rebound. An attempt for 3. No good.
No, NCF Tigers, wala para sa mga outside shooting na yan. But still, ATENEO Golden Knights looking for a point conversion right here and right now. Dahil stuck pa rin tayo sa 7-point lead ng NCF Tigers. We only have 1 minute and 12 seconds. And at this point, they need to step up, most especially itong ating ATENEO Golden Knights. Dahil kapag lumaki yung kalamangan ng NCF Tigers, mahihirapan na itong ATENEO Golden Knights na humabol dito. Jersey number 14 now. Itama was called here on the side of NCF Tigers. 1 minute and 12 seconds remaining. 31-26 on our scoreboard. Now down to 5-point lead ang ating NCF Tigers. But also, itong ating ATENEO, paunti-unti nilang binabawasan yung kalamangan ng NCF Tigers. Pero kailangan pa nilang mag-step up dito because knowing, and as we are seeing right now with this kind of performance of NCF Tigers, they need to look out for that one. But also dito sa ating ATENEO Golden Knights, napakaganda din ng performance na pinapakita nila dito. Now after the timeout, ano kaya yung mangyayari dito? Can ATENEO snatch the lead here, or NCF Tigers will continue their good momentum?
Back to the ball game.
And back to the ball game. 31-26 is our score. 1 minute and 12 seconds remaining for this first half. And the ball possession will go on the side of NCF.
No, NCF Tigers with this ball possession, a full 24-second shot clock. Palilio, 1 minute and 12. 31-26. Now Brito passes to San Gabriel. Releases a 3. Now, San Gabriel. First 3 points sa laban na to against ATENEO Golden Knights. 55 seconds remaining. Let's see here. Fulgar passes to Badran. Now Monay. It loses that one. 12 seconds remaining here. And 49 seconds remaining for our first half. And Tripuca will be on that free throw line for 2 shots here. And of course, shoutout din natin dito ang ating mga live audience sa loob ng ATENEO GYMNASIUM. Shoutout kay Jameson Brenya, Janaila Basales at James Angelo Gabarda. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay dito sa loob ng ATENEO GYMNASIUM na bagong gawa. Napakaganda ng ating venue ngayong gabing ito. Now, NCF, 45 seconds remaining.
Brito, heavily guarded here by Abrasaldo and Monay, but a traveling violation was called on the side of their team. So the ball possession will go on the side of ATENEO. 28-34. Nasa penalty side na ang NCF. Abrasaldo to inbound, or rather Monay to inbound. Passing it to Fulgar, heavily guarded by Palahe. Muntik pang bitawan ng bolang yun. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Monay to Beltran, taking their time here. Mid-range jumper was good. Again, Abrasaldo making an impact para dito sa side ng ADNU. Unsuccessful para dito kay Palilio. 5 seconds remaining para sa ating pangalawang quarter. And that's the end of our first half. 34-30, 4 points on the side of NCF Tigers. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating third and final quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, maurag ka? This is the Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1 Finals. NCF Tigers versus the ATENEO Golden Knights. Powered by Omnidea. Presented by Elavil Tours Philippines Incorporated. GNN TV48 NAGA, BIDA and BIKOLANO. Safe Gasoline Stations. DELIGOLD Philippines. Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated. NAGA College Foundation Incorporated. Bounce Academy NAGA. MNL KINGPIN Camarines Sur. MARIANO Optical. Market Aesthetics and Laser Clinic. 3N Bakery. TRDV Construction and Supply. GILMAR CASA de Descanso. ARCO DIEZ. Bonnie and PIGGY Distributors. BICOL Concrete Hollow Blocks. NOLCAST Construction and Supply. HARDSHED Hardware and Construction Supplies. MACHICHU Boneless Fried Chicken. Nike Factory Store NAGA. City Hoops Trophy and Medal Store, the official designer and provider of the OBL Elavil Cup Season 1 trophies and medals. Also brought to you by Angela Trading, Lemon Zone,
ATENEO represents ADNU.
Thank you so much to the ATENEO Golden Knights. Golden Cavaliers.
Ano, maurag ka? This is the Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1 Finals. And
ceremony.
Ano, maurag ka? This is the Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1 Finals. NCF Tigers versus the ATENEO Golden Knights. Powered by Omnidea. Presented by Elavil Tours Philippines Incorporated. GNN TV48 NAGA, BIDA and BIKOLANO. Safe gasoline stations.
Weeks of intense battles, buzzer beaters, and display of true Oragon heart. We now arrive at the moment where we honor excellence, dedication, and outstanding performance. Welcome to the awarding ceremony of Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup. Today, we celebrate not just the champions on the court, but also the spirit of sportsmanship, teamwork, and passion that made this season unforgettable. At this juncture, we will award the certificate per team. We'll first award the certificate of participation, citation read, certificate of participation. This certificate is proudly present to Carcido Motors, has been awarded for the participation in the Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1, awarded as May 31, 2025, signed by Sir J.R. Castillo, Commissioner, Head of League Operation. Also have Sir Michael Todd, the Head Commissioner, and Sir John Salvador, Commissioner and Head of Marketing. Another certificate of participation is awarded to USI Falcons. Same certificate is awarded to ATENEO Golden Knights. Coaches po, sige po. Certificate is awarded to UNCH at NAGA. Same certificate is also awarded to Safe Just Tire Master. Same certificate is awarded to JB Hall. certificate is awarded to GB Hart. Same certificate is awarded to ACLC Homes. Same certificate is awarded to NCF Tigers. Next is Certificate of Appreciation is hereby given to Ateneo de NAGA University for hosting Oragon Basketball League Alpha Cup Season 1 Finals Game 2. Awarded is May 31, 2025. Thank you, Oragon. Signed by Sir J.R. Castillo, Sir Michael Co, and Sir John Salvador. Same certificate is also awarded to NAGA College Foundation Incorporated. At this juncture, we will award the Mythical 5 of this league. Sino kaya ang Mythical 5 natin for this game? Sino muna nyo? So I will read first the citation. Certificate of Achievement. This is certificate hereby given to from ATENEO Golden Knights as the port of Mythical 5, none other than John Christopher Plaza. Congratulations. Next is from USA Falcons. Our Mythical 5 from USA Falcons, none other than Jeffrey James Quijano. Next is from the NCF Tigers, best center and member of Mythical 5, none other than William Arizona. And the best small forward from the USA Traffic NAGA, none other than Kevin Taugan. MARIANO. And our best power forward from ATENEO Golden Knights, Rodney Fulgor. And the last, but definitely not the least, the best point guard. Our best point guard is from the USI Falcons, none other than Rick Julart Asibor. At this juncture, Oragon Basketball League Season 1 best coach led a relentless journey with his team. He faced trials that could break most. He chose not to complain, but to commit. He embraced uncertainty, endured discomfort, and with unshakable resolve, molded a team that fought not just to compete, but to rise. Through his discipline, systematic and undeniable inspiring leadership, he turned every setback into fuel, every doubt into fire. And though they didn't make it to the OBL finals, his journey was nothing short of championship worthy. He embodies what it truly means to be Oragon, fearless in heart, unyielding in spirit. Our best coach of the year. Sino kaya? Sino kaya ang ating best coach? Our best coach of the year is from the USI Falcons, Coach Christopher Tope Espinosa. Coach, Jeff, ikaw na lang po ang representative ni Coach Tope. Congratulations, Coach Tope, and of course to the USI Falcons. At this juncture, we will award the season's most valuable player. Oragon Basketball League Alpha Cup Season 1 MVP didn't just play the game, he led it. He is the heart and soul of his team, guiding them through an undefeated run in the elimination and semis. He led not by words alone, but by examples, showing what it truly means to be a leader, a warrior, and a tiger. And these words from him say it all. Aanuhin ang galing kung hindi kondisyon. Ang mantrang he lived by every game, every practice, and every sacrifice. Not once did he miss a match, even when life pulled him across the map. traveling back and forth from south and north and back again. Still, he showed out. Still, he gave us all an unbelievable display of passion. Our season's MVP! Sino kaya ang ating season's MVP? Our season's most valuable player from the NAGA College Foundation. Jersey number 14, Alvin John Margallo. Coach Alvin. Again, congratulations to our season's MVP, jersey number 14 of the NCF Tigers, Alvin John Margallo. At this juncture, we'll proceed to the second half of the game.
Ano, maurag ka? This is the Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1 Finals. NCF Tigers versus the ATENEO Golden Knights. Powered by Omnidea. Presented by Elavil Tours Philippines Incorporated. GNN TV48 NAGA, BIDA and BIKOLANO. Safe Gasoline Stations. DELIGOLD Philippines. Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated. NAGA College Foundation Incorporated. Bounce Academy NAGA.
And we are back for our second half of the finals game 2 of ATENEO Golden Knights at NCF Tigers. Nagtapos nga po ang ating puntos 34-30. 4 na puntos na kalamangan lamang po ng NCF Tigers at napakaganda po ng performance na pinapakita dito ng ating dalawang kumparan. Now, sa pagpasok ng very crucial quarter for this game, how can NCF Tigers maintain their momentum? At ano ang gagawin ng ATENEO Golden Knights to snatch that lead? And of course, bago magsimula itong ating third quarter, natawagan nga ng 3 seconds violation on the side of NCF Tigers. So this is an opportunity for ATENEO Golden Knights to lessen that gap. Fulgar passes here to Monay. 14 seconds to shoot, but no good.
Margallo. What a great long two on the side of NCF, our season's MVP. Monarellano passing it to Fulgar with the 3-pointers. Walang sabit. What a great exchange of points for these both teams. Nasa third quarter na nga tayo. 36-33, 3-point lead ang hawak ng NCF.
Well, yun yung kailangan ngayon ng ATENEO Golden Knights, yung mga outside shooting nila ngayon. And back to 3-point lead, itong NCF, pero Alvin Margallo making it a 5-point lead here after that point. Of course, that's our MVP, most valuable player para sa season na ito ng OBL Season 1. Now, let's see here. Tripulka, stop for a 2, pero NCF gets it. Margallo once again proving that he is the MVP of the season. Getting that basket with a foul. And look at that. Sa ating instant replay brought to us by Anjana Trading and Safe Gas Station as Alvin Margallo getting that basket with a foul. Now, let's see for a 3-point opportunity here for Alvin Margallo as NCF can make it to 8-point lead against ATENEO Golden Knights. No good.
Now, ATENEO with the ball possession. Arellano to Beltran for 3. No good. Arenzana with that rebound. Ayo passing it to Margallo. Ayo this time with that 3. No good. And stepping on the line. So the point or so the ball possession will go on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
No, yung Ateneo, every ball possession counts para sa kanilang kupunan dito. 40-33 on our scoreboard. That ball will stay on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, Fulgar goes inside, tries, but denied here by Gimo. NCF on the run here. Ano pa kaya yung gagawin nila ditong pagbabago sa game plan, knowing na nasa kanila yung kalamangan dito, and they still add a point there as Gimo Mumuni getting that basket. Now, NCF still on the lead here. So let's see as we continue this matchup. NCF Tigers.
Great steal. And now, Hermonio guarded here. Passing it to Margallo. Back to Hermonio, and now Gimo libre with that layup. And so here on update on the side of NCF Tigers, let's call our courtside reporter Kyla. Hi Kyla, kumusta? Anong update dyan?
Thank you, Kentine. We now on second half of this game. And the momentum continues on the side of the NCF Tigers. They are dominating this game at uhaw sila na makuha ang kampyonato. During the huddle, they are reminded to never be complacent. This is the last 2 quarters of the game. They need to be consistent in their play and shoot. Good shot, good offense. Sabayan pa ng agresibong depensa. Yan ang susi sa inaasam sa kanilang panalo. The question is, will the NCF Tigers get the first ever championship here in Oragon Basketball League? But before that, Rick and Pin, may makakasama tayong bisita. He is the owner of the Safe Jazz Station, none other than Sir Jazz Azareno. Sir Jazz, good evening, sir. Ano pong nararamdaman nyo na finally you're able to witness the game of the finals of this Oragon Basketball League?
I'm very excited po. Bale, yung laban na po kanina, medyo dumikit po sila. So, intense po yung laro nila, especially championship. So, sa ngayon po kasi, in favor ako sa Ateneo kasi alumni po ako eh. So, medyo nasa side tayo ng Ateneo.
Yes, sir. Sir Jazz, I will give you the floor to promote your business, the Jazz Tire Noir.
Okay po. Doon po sa mga naghahanap po ng mga tires and battery. We're located sa Mayan Avenue, Naga City. And meron din po kaming branch sa Palestina, Pili.
Thank you so much, Sir Jazz, and thank you for being one of the sponsor here in Oragon Basketball League. Thank you so much, sir. There you have it. That is Sir Jazz Azareno, the owner of Jazz Tire. That's all for now. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Chi.
Thank you so much, Kyle. Ayan nga, kasama nga ni Kyle si Sir Jazz, the owner of St. Jazz Tire Master, and he is on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights as he is an alumni dito sa Ateneo side. Now, NCF Tigers still continuously giving us a good gameplay here, and also as we can see with the scoreboard, third quarter, I think this is the biggest gap that NCF Tigers mark against Ateneo Golden Knights. And as we can see, Mariano on that free throw line. 5 minutes and 31 seconds remaining here for our third quarter. As we said earlier, third quarter is one of the most crucial part of a basketball game. Now, that's good for that second free throw of Mon Arellano. NCF Tigers now on the offense again. An opportunity to add a point here. That's a 12-point gap. Alvin Margallo spinning and the basket. Whoa. Who would have thought that the coach of NCF Junior Cubs will be the ones stepping up for the team of NCF Tigers. Well, talagang binigay nila sa atin, binigay niya sa atin na he is a coach for a reason.
Yes. At talagang MVP material itong si Alin Margalio para dito sa side ng NCF Tigers. What a great game para dito sa kanya. Now, Herbono to inbound, passing it to Margalio. 49-35 is our score. Brian Ayo, or rather Joshua Ayo. And now, Ateneo has the chance to add their score here. Fulgar with that mid-range jumper, and it was good. 2 points was added on their side. Now, nabanggit mo kanina dito, Tin, na every point or every ball possession counts for Ateneo. They really need to step up and to hear an update on the side of their team. Let's call our courtside reporter, Zai. Hi, Zai. Kumusta? Ano nang balita on your side?
Thank you so much, Rick and Vin. As we enjoy this burning battle between the two teams, let's take this opportunity to get to know one of our major sponsors. I have here with me the owner of the Stronghold Insurance Company, Sir Renato Enciso. So Sir Renato, good evening to you. So can you tell us more about the partnership of the Stronghold Insurance Company and the Oragon Basketball League?
Yes, good evening. I would like to take this opportunity to give thanks to the Oragon Basketball League, especially to the organizing committee, we would like to thank this opportunity for making us one of the major sponsors. It is our great pleasure to be one of the sponsors, one of the kind basket in BICOL region.
Thank you so much, Sir Renato. So, is there anything you would like to tell our viewers about this partnership with the Stronghold in Oragon?
Yeah, okay. For the next season, Stronghold Insurance Company will be hopefully will be a major sponsor for this season 2 of Basketball League. And yes, of course, the Stronghold is more on non-life insurance company, but we are in a sports enthusiast. We are not sports enthusiast. Yeah, okay, sige.
Thank you so much, Sir Renato. So would you like to invite our viewers to watch our games tonight?
Okay, everybody. In behalf of Stronghold, I would like to invite everybody, especially BICOLANOs, the Oragon BICOLANOs, to watch and support the Oragon Basketball League, especially the next season.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Sir Renato. There we have it, our main sponsor for this season and hopefully the next seasons too. So now let's get back to some updates sa laro natin. The team shifted into 1-2-2 zone defense setup, showing they're willing to make adjustments and try new looks. It created some pressure on the perimeter and disrupted the opponent's rhythm at times. Unti-unti nang ginugulo ng mga guards ang big man. May mabilis na dribble at matalinong hesitation moves, kaya nakakapwersa sila na mismatch at nakakadraw ng contact. Ibig sabihin, nagbabasa na sila ng laro at alam na nila kung saan pwedeng umatake. All in all, a solid foundation laid in the third quarter. If they clean up the timing and continue trusting each other, they've got a real shot in the final period. That's all the updates I have for now from the side of the ATENEO Golden Knights. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Zai. Of course, kanina kasama nga po ng ating courtside reporter na si Zai, si Sir Renato ng Stronghold Insurance Company. And what a great way that Stronghold Insurance Company and napakaganda ng connection sa Oragon Basketball League. And now, ATENEO Golden Knights, as the report of Zai, talagang ginagawa na nila yung kanilang depensa dito, 1-2 zone, and of course, a good communication and trust with each other as the players of ATENEO will continue to give us a good fight. And sabi nga ni Zai, a great shot on the finals or the final quarter of this matchup against NCF Tigers. And as we can see right now, ATENEO is on the penalty, 51-44 on our scoreboard. That's a 7-point gap of ATENEO Golden Knights, or the NCF Tigers against ATENEO Golden Knights. So, another opportunity arises for their team. They just need to have a good communication here, lay out a good game plan. And as we can see, MARIANO here. Try for a 3. Fulcar. No good.
Again, medyo nagmimintis dito yung opensa on the side of ATENEO. They need to make sure na every ball possession nga is magkakaroon ng conversion of points. And on the other side of things, NOWADA adding 2 points on their side with that fadeaway shot, and now 53-44 is our score. A minute and 55 seconds remaining para dito sa ating pangatlong quarter. Monay to Mon. What a turn, pero hindi makakapasok yung layup na yon, but magkakaroon dito ng 2 shots itong si Mon Aureliano, and warning for penalty ang side ng NCF.
Now, 1 minute and 46 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Both teams are now on the penalty, 53-44. So, that's a 9-point lead of NCF Tigers. And now, Aureliano, first free throw was good. So, kahit sa mga free throws ng ATENEO Golden Knights, they need to stand out. Kasi importante yan, isang puntos man lang yan, malaking bagay para sa kanilang kupunan. Because we are nearly on the 4th and final quarter, which means if NCF Tigers will continue this kind of gameplay sa ating 4th quarter, malaki yung chance na talagang, alam mo yun, yung NCF Tigers will go home with a championship. So ATENEO Golden Knights, if they want to extend the series, they need to let it all out. Push to their limits, because as we can see, yun na nga yung sinasabi natin dito. But Chimo, look at that. A whistle foul here. It's the man on the side of ATENEO Golden Knights. That's Monay. So tatawagan nga dito ng foul. Chimo Momoni tatawagan dito ng foul. And it is Abrasaldo on that free throw line for 2 shots here. And still ATENEO community have this support for their team, knowing ang haba pa po, mahaba pa ito, ang dami pang opportunity para sa side ng ATENEO Golden Knights, so they need to strengthen their defense and offense here. But of course, we would like to shout out our live viewers sa ating Facebook page. Shout out kay Vincent Saysayko, Christian Pasigan, kay Jess Castro, Orvin Nick Salmo, Paulo Lim Chanco, Eliza John David, Jasper Abate at Dimple Cristobal. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now NCF Tigers with just a 5-point lead here. But an offensive foul call to Arenzana. So this opportunity, kailangan ng ATENEO Golden Knights, and at this moment, bumabalik yung magandang momentum ng ATENEO. They need it right now. Every ball possession counts sa kanilang kupunan. Surely, kailangan nilang makuha yung mga puntos dito. Beltran, no good. He anticipated it. Now NCF on the run. Brito. But a whistled foul there. Will be on that free throw line for 2 shots.
Brito on the free throw line for 2 shots para dito sa NCF. Unsuccessful. Another one for him. 53-48. This is not yet over on the side of ATENEO Golden Knights. Meron pa tayong 57 seconds na natitirang oras para sa ating pang third quarter. And of course, we have the 4th and final quarter. So, meron pang last push itong ATENEO to force this into game number 3. Or will the NCF Tigers completely dominate this ball game? And of course, iuwi ang kampyonato dito sa kauna-unahang OBL Elavil Cup. Yan ang aabangan natin maya-maya.
Now, ATENEO on the offense. Madridano goes inside, but a whistle foul there. So we'll be on that free throw line 54-48. 6-point gap. Magagawan pa ng paraan ng ATENEO na mabawasan yung kalamangan na yan ng NCF Tigers, but they need to be consistent with their gameplay. May mga chances na ang gaganda ng mga ipinapakitang combination of plays dito sa side ng ATENEO Golden Knights, but at the same time, parang itong NCF Tigers, binabawi nila agad. So consistency on both teams, this is what they need, most especially na ngayon papasok na tayo sa fourth and final quarter of this game. Now, Madridano on his second free throw here, 54-49, and he didn't get it, but Tripulka, offensive rebound, loses it, another opportunity, Monay, still no good there, sayang, a lot of opportunity for ATENEO Golden Knights right there, but of course, tatawagan nga dito ng foul si jersey number 31, Gabito. Abrasaldo on that free throw line. Both teams are now on the penalty. An opportunity here. That's good. Down to 4. And they need this second free throw to make it a 3-point lead of NCF Tigers. Mabilis na makukuha ng ATENEO yan with this remaining 36 seconds of this quarter. That will be the ball possession of NCF Tigers after that last sequence. 36 pa. 36 seconds ang bumuduin pa ng ATENEO na NCF. So let's see how will the third quarter end. Will it be on the momentum of the side of NCF Tigers or ATENEO Golden Knights? But now, Brito on that free throw line for 2 shots here. No good. Mukhang yung mga free throws ngayon ng ating mga players sumasablay simula pa doon sa ating first quarter and now up until the third quarter of this matchup. Brito, second free throw. That's good. Now, 36 seconds remaining. Fourth and final quarter. $29 on our shot clock. Game time for our third quarter. Abrasaldo. On offensive foul. Very crucial foul called on Abrasaldo. It is an offensive one. Sayang dito sa side ng ATENEO knowing na 5 puntos na lamang yung inahabol nila dito. 26 seconds remaining. Now NCF Tigers on the offense. Mase. The officials will review. The officials will review that last sequence as Nuwada. Natawagan nga ng foul dyan si Nuwada, but the officials will review it once again.
To clarify things and to see the clearer view on that last sequence sa kung anong nangyari between Nuwada and the player on the side of ATENEO Golden Knights. 55-50 is our score. 5-point lead on the side of NCF Tigers. 22 seconds remaining for this third quarter, and both teams are now on the penalty situation. So it seems like kailangan maging maingat dito ng dalawang kupunan because again, every foul, every error will lead into free throw shots, which is very important in this game because again, every ball possession counts para dito sa dalawang kupunan. So every 2 points is very important para madagdagan ang kalamangan at ang puntos para dito sa ating laro.
Ayan, shoutout tayo dito sa live audience natin sa loob ng ATENEO Gymnasium. Ayan, nanonood dito ngayon si Janayla Basales, Jameson Brenya, James Angelo Gabarda, Kim Monteroso at kay Marniala Berido. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now, 22 seconds remaining on our third quarter, 55-50, but Let's wait with that confirmation on the side of the officials after that foul called on Nuwada of NCF Tigers. And also, shoutout din dito kay Joel Bantiles at kay Zane Matthew Paz. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Again, this is the finals game 2 of Oragon Basketball League between the ATENEO Golden Knights and NCF Tigers. At parehong kupunan nga po natin ay nasa penalty na ngayon. And we're going to replay this last sequence as Nuwada with Abrasaldo of ATENEO Golden Knights.
Jersey number 10 of NCF Tigers and jersey number 10 of ATENEO NAGA Golden Knights, double foul.
Now with that call of our officials, double foul will be called on Nuwada of NCF Tigers and Abrasaldo, jersey number 10 on the side of ATENEO NAGA University Golden Knights. At napatawag nga po ng timeout dyan si Coach Brian Ayo on the side of NCF Tigers. This is a 5-point lead on the side of NCF Tigers, but still, compared to the game number 1 of NCF and ATENEO, mahigpit yung labanan ng ating dalawang kupunan dito. Kaya talagang kailangan ayusan yung game plan ng NCF and ATENEO, because knowing sa pagpasok ng ating fourth quarter, there will be a lot of changes here.
With this 22 seconds remaining, ano ang gagawin ng dalawang kupunan na ito para madagdagan pa ang puntos on their side? 5 points lamang dito ang kailangang trabahuin on the side of ATENEO Golden Knights to finally tie this match up. And on the other side of things, NCF, they need to stay composed para dito sa larong ito. Because again, nakikita na natin dito ang paunti-unting paghabol nitong ATENEO Golden Knights coming from that back-to-back free throw shots. And of course, sa mga outside shooting nitong ATENEO, medyo nabubuhay na ulit dito yung ATENEO community as well as their players. 22 seconds remaining.
Now, with 22 seconds remaining here, can NCF make another point here? Let's see. Brito, 18 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Nuwada. Now Brito to Capito. No good. Nakakaroon na dito ng pisikalan, and that ball will stay on the side.
Foul, jersey number 7.
Natatawagan nga ng foul dito si jersey number 7, Madridano, on the side of ATENEO Golden Knights. No good on that first free throw of Arenzana. Now let's see here, 11 seconds remaining on our third quarter. Let's see here. That's good.
Substitution.
San Gabriel will check in para dito sa side ng NCF Tigers. Remaining 11 seconds. Can ATENEO Golden Knights get a point here? 56-50. Now Monay. Passes to Abrasaldo. Down to 4 seconds. No good. And that ball will go on to the possession of NCF Tigers with a remaining of 1 and 45 counts here. Again, this is a good third quarter for NCF Tigers as they still maintain this 6-point cap against ATENEO Golden Knights. Pero sa ating pagbabalik, it will be the fourth and final quarter of this matchup. Will it be NCF Tigers will go home with the championship, or ATENEO Golden Knights gagawa ng parahan to snatch it and extend the series? Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, maurag ka? This is the Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1 Finals. NCF Tigers versus the ATENEO Golden Knights. Powered by Omnidea. Presented by Elavil Tours Philippines Incorporated. GNN TV48 NAGA, BIDA and BIKOLANO. Safe Gasoline Stations. DELIGOLD Philippines. Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated. NAGA College Foundation Incorporated. Bounce Academy NAGA. MNL KINGPIN Camarines Sur. MARIANO Optical. MARQED Aesthetics and Laser Clinic. 3 Bakery. TRDV Construction and Supply. GILMAR, CASA de DESCANSO. ARCO DIEZ. Bonnie and PIGGY Distributor.
And we are back here sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium for our fourth and final quarter of this game. Will it be the NCF Tigers who will crown as the champion para dito sa OBL Elavil Cup, or will the Ateneo force it into game number 3? And napakagandang opening para dito sa ating fourth quarter with that 3-pointers coming from Beltran.
Now, ito yung magandang laro ng Ateneo Golden Knights na kapag nasimula nila, humihinto agad. So they need to maintain their momentum knowing that this is the final quarter. But as we enter the last quarter, look at that, the 3-pointer now. Another snatch of ball here. So an opportunity for Ateneo Golden Knights to lessen that gap. And of course, a call but a foul to San Gabriel. Now 15 seconds to shoot on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. 56-53 on our scoreboard. 3 puntos na lamang inahabol dito ng Ateneo. And they have an opportunity to do it right now. Trapulka. Long 2. No good. Actually, every ball possession, they need to focus more. Make sure that it will count. Most especially right now, fourth quarter. And NCF still doing a great job here. And Arellano getting that basket, and look at that reaction of Ateneo community. This is what we're talking about. Home court advantage of Ateneo. Look at that support. And right now, another whistle foul. Ball possession will go onto the side of Ateneo. Sunod. A good momentum for our fourth quarter.
Yes. What a great start on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Look at that score, 56-55, just a single point lead para dito sa NCF. And the Ateneo community goes wild, and as well as our live audiences. So quick shout out tayo dito sa ating mga live audiences na nakatutok, mga team bahay. Shout out dito sa ating birthday boy, Ken Sebastian Trillanes. Happy birthday, best wishes para sa'yo.
Ayan, happy birthday po sa lahat na nag-birthday ngayon. And of course, ayan nga po, sayang on the side of Ateneo, they can get the lead. But for now, NCF, can they get it? No good. Orenzana, big man. Ateneo's ball possession. Look how happy and Ateneo community. Because at this point of time, every ball possession is very crucial. No room for turnovers, no room for errors here. So let's see how far will NCF and Ateneo will go for this matchup. Now Beltran passes to Fulgar. 15 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Arellano. Almost loses it, but Plaza. No good. Big advantage yung mga big man like Arenzana, Gimo. But dito on the side of NCF Tigers, doon sa kanilang mga rebounds. And this is what Ateneo needs right now. Kahit kulang man sila sa mga big man, yung mga lusot nila sa loob, yun yung kailangan nilang pagtrabahuan ngayon.
And now, NCF basketball. Chance for them to add their lead here. But unfortunately turn over on the side of their team. So this is a good opportunity on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights to snatch the lead. 56-55 is our score. 7 minutes and 25 seconds remaining.
Well, there's a lot of opportunity here inside of Ateneo Golden Knights. So they need to make sure na makukuha nila to. Now, Fulgar with that free throw opportunity. The 56-55, isang puntos lamang. But Fulgar didn't get that first free throw. He needs the second one to tie the game. I think this will be the first deadlock of the game, if ever Fulgar will make it. That's good. Just like what I've said earlier, this is the first deadlock of the game here. 56 all. Fourth and final quarter. What a very crucial quarter we have here. Look at that defense of Ateneo. An opportunity here to take the lead, but Palillo snatch it. Marcallo with his ball possession. 20 seconds to shoot here. San Gabriel passes to Palillo. Back to San Gabriel with that long three. No good. But now, with this intensity, let us all hear on the side of NCF Tigers. Kala, anong update dyan sa side ng NCF Tigers?
Canteen, we are now on the last quarter of this matchup. Hiyawan at sigawan at ramdamang kaba sa bawat puntos na makukuha. Dikit pa rin nga ang laban. This is the last quarter. So they are all reminded to give their all. Ibuhos na ang lahat to get the championship title tonight. Walang lugar ang pagiging kampante dito sa huling quarter ng larong ito. They are continuously reminded to stick on the last plan of Coach Bry. Iwas a foul at turnover and remain composed for the last quarter of this game. Will the first ever championship title of Oragon Basketball League be the NCF Tigers? Yan ang ating dapat abangan at tutukan only here at Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon for now. Balik sa inyo, Ricanchin.
And thank you so much for that update, Kyla. So, NCF Tigers, kanina ko pa binanggit ito, no room for complacency because look at our score, 56 all para dito sa ating last quarter. So again, they need to bring the groove back inside the court para sa kanilang kupunan, and at the same time, bawasan dito yung fouls na nagagawa nila, and at the same time, their turnover because Ateneo Golden Knights umaarangkada para dito sa fourth quarter na ito, and 6 minutes and 52 seconds na lamang ang natitira sa ating oras. So, sino ang mananalo at sino ang makakakuha ng magandang momentum dito sa gabing ito?
Now, Ateneo still on the run here. No whistled foul there. And Mariano complaining with that one. But now, let's see here. NCF can get this one. Palillo passes to Margallo. 6 minutes and 27 seconds. 13 seconds to shoot. Ball will stay on the side of NCF Tigers. Pero bago ang lahat, papakinggan muna natin kung anong plano dito sa natirang minuto ng ating Neo Golden Knights side. Take it away.
Rick, and then here we are fast approaching the fourth quarter. Earlier I had with me the owner of the Stronghold Insurance Company. Ngayon naman I'm with another handsome and fine gentleman. So here by my side is Sir Alexander Beluan Jr., the admin of KINGPIN CAMSUR. So Sir Alexander, welcome dito sa aming liga. First off, how does it feel being here sa courtside and supporting this exciting game? How does it feel to be here and supporting the game?
So yun, the game is very intense. That's why, and also the atmosphere here in the arena. So yun.
Okay, so Sir Alex, can you tell us a little something about how KINGPIN CAMSUR started?
So this Manila KINGPIN CAMSUR first started off with planning, and it was It was a business idea by my brother-in-law Eric Paz and my sister Princess Biluan Paz. So it was from sudden. I was just sorry.
Oh, it's okay. That's okay. But anyway, sir, let's just talk about yung inyong business. So you are the admin of the KINGPIN CAMSUR. Saan po namin matatagpuan yung store ninyo or yung stall? Or let's say, do you have any specific official website or official Facebook page?
So yun, if you want to, for your sporting needs and we have club uniforms and organization shirts. You can come visit us at Zone 1 Lanusa Street, San Francisco, Iriga City. Yan po.
Wow, so sir, galing ka pang Iriga just to support today's game. Would you like to invite our viewers to watch our game tonight?
So sa mga ating viewers, come, sorry. You can continue watch, let us support Oragon Basketball League, spearheaded by Sir John Salvador, Sir Mike, and Sir Jay. The game is very intense and very close game. As we see, kanina lang nag-run din yung ano. So ngayon, yun na.
Okay, maraming salamat po, Sir Alex. There you have it, everyone, the admin of the KINGPIN CAMSUR. Thank you so much po, sir. So like Sir said earlier, medyo intense na nga yung game natin. And after a shaky third quarter, the team came out in the fourth with more energy and better composure. They tightened up on defense, showing improved rotations and health side awareness. You could really feel the urgency kicking in. Kaya Ricantin, balik muna sa inyo kasi madami pa tayong matatagpuan at madami pa tayong mapapanood only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much, Azai, for that update. So yun nga, the intensity grows para dito sa ATENEO Golden Knights as they take on the lead para dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Wow! What a game! Napakaganda ng nilalaro dito ng ATENEO. Look at that defense. But a whistle coming from our referee here. Napakaganda ng backs out, ng passing, and of course, those crucial shooting para dito sa ating ATENEO Golden Knights. Talagang walang sablay, walang mintes, binibigay ang lahat. Kinakapitan ng ATENEO Golden Knights itong larong ito. So guys, tutok lamang tayo dito sa natitirang 4 minutes and 8 seconds ng laro. 60-58 is our score. Hindi nakapasok ang unang attempt on the side of Tigers.
Now, ATENEO Golden Knights getting that 3-point lead dito sa ating natitirang minuto. Talagang intense na, but Arenzana getting that second free throw. So 59-60 on our scoreboard, but at the same time, this is very crucial for both teams. Having this tight game plan or gameplay, grabe yung ginagawa ngayon ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Most especially ATENEO Golden Knights dahil kanina nga, halos lumagpas na ng 10 yung kalamangan dito ng NCF Tigers, but they did something. Talagang ginawan nila ng paraan yung kanilang laro dito. So now as you can see, they get it. That 1-point cap against NCF Tigers. So knowing this both teams, ang dami pang pwedeng mangyari sa natitirang 4 minutes and 8 seconds of the game. So let's see what will happen. Can NCF Tigers maintain the momentum? Go home with a win? A championship rather for our Oragon Basketball League? Or ATENEO Golden Knights, paulit-ulit nating sinasabi with this support of the ATENEO community. Babalik ulit sa susunod na Sabado sa NCF Covered Court for a do-or-die game.
Yes, yan ang aabangan natin dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito. Now Monay, may hawak ng bola, passing ito Fulgar, positioning himself for 3, unsuccessful. Now NCF with the ball possession. Arenzana passing it to Ayo, heavily guarded by Valle here with 12 seconds to shoot. Another foul was whistled. Jersey number 26, first personal foul. And a substitution on the side of their team. Ibabalik dito itong si Mono Arellano. Ayo to inbound. They need to maximize every ball possession on their hands. 4-3, no good. Offensive rebound coming from Betito. Looking for his teammate, passing it to Margallo for 3. Wala pa din. Offensive rebound. This time Arenzana, hindi pa din makakakuha. Kanino ibibigay ang bola? On the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Chance for them to add their lead dito sa natitirang 3 minutes and 20 seconds.
Ang daming opportunity doon sa side ng NCF Tigers. Ang gaganda ng rebound nila pero hindi nagawa ng paraan dito. So now this is an opportunity on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights to maintain that momentum. And Beltran, no good on that attempt. Now we're looking here, 3 minutes and 4 seconds remaining. Can NCF gets it. Basket count with a foul. Pegban Arenzana will be on that free throw line for a 3-point opportunity. Look at that. With our instant replay, brought to us by Anjana Trading and Safe Gas Station.
What a game! Wow! Mapapawaw ka na lang talaga sa nangyayari dito sa loob ng ADNU GYMNASIUM. Great hustle para dito kay Arenzana, putting their team on the lead with 2 points.
Napakabilis lang ng puntos para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. Both teams are now on the penalty, 62-60. But a whistled foul there, so Fulgar will be on that free throw line. And this free throw is very important, most especially now. At dalawang puntos yung inahabon nila against NCF Tigers. So Fulgar needs this 2 free throw. Let's see for his first free throw.
So this is what championship feels. And of course, Fulgar, talagang ipapasok ito at kailangan ito on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Let's see kung may tatabla ba ang ating ballgame. And very clean shot para dito sa Ateneo. And with that, we are all tied up at 62. Now, Hermonio, may hawak ng bola. Goes inside, passing it to Betito, and another whistle coming from our referee. And with that whistle, another free throw shots ang ibibigay on the side of NCF Tigers.
Well, it's fast approaching for our last 2 minutes of the final game. Finals game to you of NCF and Ateneo. Na Betito on that free throw line. But as this moment, hindi pa natin alam kung sino ba yung makakakuha ng panalo ngayong gabing ito. Because NCF Tigers and Ateneo Golden Knights, pareho yung pinapakita. Ang ganda-ganda ng performance from first quarter up until now. We are deadlocked on 62 all. So parehong community, NCF community praying that NCF Tigers will get this to enjoy this finals game 2 championship, first ever championship for our Oragon Basketball League. And of course, aside naman ng Ateneo Golden Knights, they want to extend this one and still watch this much-hated matchup of this both teams. Now look at that defense of Ayo. Plaza, nahihirapan dito, asking for his teammate. Tripulka with last 12 seconds on the shot clock. Down to 9 seconds. Now Fulgar. Passes to Tripulka, heavily guarded here. In and out basket.
Unfortunately, a turnover on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Sayang yun on the side of Ateneo. And now, ball possession will go on the side of NCF. Hermonio. Matatawagan dito ng foul. Very unfortunate on that last sequence. So the ball possession, ibabalik on the side of Ateneo. 2 minutes and 2 seconds remaining. 62 all, both teams on the penalty. Both fans are wild. Wow, this is the moment for these two teams.
Now, we are down on the last 2 minutes of the game. And Mon Arellano still didn't get it. Almost but never on the side of Ateneo. Wow, what a crucial game we have here. So for the fans of both teams, hold on to your seats because we're not yet finished here.
Excluded.
So now Beltran on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights excluded from the game with 5 fouls here. Now, let's see. 1 minute and 49 seconds remaining here on the side of both teams. Arenzana getting that second free throw. 64-62. Still no room for complacency because with this remaining minutes and seconds, every ball possession counts. No room for error, no room for turnover. So now let's see here as Vulgar with his ball. Nahanap dito ng papapasahan. Look at that defense of NCF Tigers. Down to 10 seconds here. Arellano ang gagawin dito. Tries for a three-pointer. No good. Now, NCF with a 2-point gap and looking for another gap here. Hermonio to Petito. And Petito cutting that basket. Dahil dyan, mapapatawag ng timeout ang Ateneo Golden Knights. Because look at that one.
Wow.
NCF Tigers getting that basket, adjusting the gap into 4 points. Meron na lamang tayong 1 minute and 19 seconds. Ang dami pong pwedeng mayari. Let's see after this time at kung anong gagawin ng Ateneo Golden Knights to snatch this game.
Yes, and those beautiful instant replays brought to us by Anjana Trading and Safe Gasoline. On your screen, snapshot on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Huddling and making sure na pag pumasok ulit sa ating hardcourt, makakakuha sila ng puntos. 66-62 is our score. 1 minute and 19 seconds remaining for this match. Wow! Talagang nagsisigawan na dito sa loob ng court. Lahat na talaga hype para dito sa larong ito. And even our audiences. So a quick shout out on our 300 plus viewers. Shout out dito kay Jingle Arenzana, AJ Calidro Jose, Homer Polios, kay Hannah Cheska Tubig, Aljon Adayo, Angela Ampongan, Romay Gonzalez, at kay Joyce Gonzalez. Thank you so much and happy watching.
Now, back to the ball game here. Ateneo's basketball, 1 minute and 19 seconds. Tripulka to inbound. Looking for his teammate. Now Madridano passes to Fulgar with 12 seconds to shoot here. What a very crucial traveling violation. Now look at that. Ito yung sinasabi natin kanina. No room for errors on the side of Ateneo and NCF Tigers. 1 minute and 16. Mahaba pa to. Pero at the same time, kailangan gumawa ng paraan. Now, Hermonio. NCF Tigers on the offense. Passes to Margallo. Now Margallo finding his teammate here with only 10 seconds to shoot. Ayaw now. Pabalik kay Hermonio. But it was a foul there. What a ball rotation on the side of NCF Tigers. Now, this instant replay is brought to us by Anjana Trading and Safe Gas Station. Both teams are now on the penalty.
Napakaganda ng ginawa ng NCF Tigers on that previous play. Wow. And now Arenzana. Another point was added on their side. Last 56 seconds remaining for this game.
There's still a lot of things that can happen here. 51 seconds remaining. Now Fulgar. 67-62, a 5-point gap of NCF Tigers. Arellano, look at that defense of NCF Tigers. Hindi talaga pinapakawalan dito yung mga players ng Ateneo. Now Tripulka. Down to 5 seconds. What will he do now? Almost loses it. Madritano, snatch. But a foul was whistled. We'll go onto that free throw line for 2 shots, and he needs this 2 free throw. Very crucial free throw for Ateneo.
This is very important shot para dito kay Madridano. Let's see. Clean basket on that first attempt. One more time for him. And another quick shoutout para sa ating mga live audience. Shoutout kay Sean Buen, John Renbert Celadinia at kay Nicole Oliva. Happy viewing po. 2 clean shots para dito sa ATENEO Golden Knights. 67-64. Wow.
Now, ipapasok na ulit si Namonay at Abrasalto on the side of ATENEO Golden Knights. No Tripulca and Arellano with us remaining to 32 seconds of the game. Can NCF Tigers end it where ATENEO will do something about it? Now, Ramonio. Abrasalto with that good defense on the side of ATENEO. 25, but 16 seconds on the shot clock of NCF Tigers. 3-point gap of NCF. What will they do now? Uubusin ang oras dito sa side ng NCF Tigers. Marcayo. Nagkakagawan dito. Arzalo. Big Ben. He gets that basket, adjusting the gap into 5 points. And with that 8 seconds remaining on our time, I don't know what will happen, Rick.
Yes. Look at this instant replay. Alwin Margallo finding Arenzana on that corner. Look at that. Wow. Sibat na sibat si Arenzana on that last sequence. And Arenzana with that beautiful layup. 69-64. What a game, everyone.
Now, with this 8 seconds, but of course, yung mga fans ng ATENEO dito, talagang they're still wishing for a miracle with this 5-point gap of NCF Tigers. What a good matchup we're seeing right now. This is really worth it. E paano pa kung live yung napanood to dito sa loob ng ATENEO Gymnasium? Napakaganda na ng bagong ATENEO Gymnasium plus the feels of a live basketball game. Now with 8 seconds remaining, let's see here. With this ball possession of ATENEO Golden Knights, Tripulca will end out that ball. And of course, shoutout dito sa ating 324 live audience or live viewers sa ating Facebook page. And of course, sa ating nanonood na mga fans ng basketball sa YouTube. Now, Tripulca passes to Fulcar. Abrasaldo. No good. And now, let's all welcome the first ever champion of Oragon Basketball League, none other than NAGA College Foundation Tigers, but of course, still a good game for ATENEO Golden Knights. We ended 69-64, a 5-point gap, but still a good game that we've seen tonight. It is very worth it, and NCF enjoying their winning moment. Talagang congratulations on both teams for giving us a good matchup this evening. Pero hindi lang po yun lahat. Nakilala na natin yung ating most valuable player, Alwin Marcayo. But sino ang ating finals plus player of the game? Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, maurag ka? This is the Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1 Finals. NCF Tigers versus the ATENEO Golden Knights. Powered by Omnidea. Presented by Elavil Tours Philippines Incorporated. GNN TV48 NAGA, BIDA and BIKOLANO. Safe Gasoline Stations. DELIGOLD Philippines. Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated. NAGA College Foundation Incorporated. Bounce Academy NAGA. MNL KINGPIN Camarines Sur. MARIANO Optical. Market Aesthetics and Laser Clinic. 3N Bakery. TRDV Construction and Supply. GILMAR CASA de Descanso. ARCO DIEZ. Bonnie and Piggy Distributors. BICOL Concrete Hollow Blocks. NOLCAST Construction and Supply. HARDSHED Hardware and Construction Supplies. MACHICHU Boneless Fried Chicken. Nike Factory Store NAGA. City Hoops Trophy and Medal Store, the official designer and provider of the OBL Elavil Cup Season 1 trophies and medals. Also brought to you by Angela Trading, Lemon Zone, Claypot Restaurant and Cafe, Anytime Fitness NAGA, Superb Cots and Sew, KD Sportswear, Skytech Advertising, Crown Park Restaurant, Crown Hotel, Home Pet Naga City, Think Pro Incorporated, Pin Cafe, AET Ads, Taylor Swift, Laod Daldagon Siruma, Glass House Beach Resort, Lemon Residences, Tigers Cafe, Nagayon Travel and Tours, Bangkok's Kinalas, Jag Sportswear San Isidro Magarao, Ako BICOL Party List, Tan Dental Clinic, VDC Massage and Spa, Nick Z Shop, Pearl Aesthetic Wellness and Beauty Center Naga, Chicken Run, Chef Buster Cuisine, Mary's Coffee, Pro Ads Graphic and Signs, Digital Graphics Naga.
And now, the first ever Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup champion to receive a trophy from City Hoops Trophies and Medals and 17,000 pesos. Your champion, NCF Tigers! Our first ever OBL champion will also be receiving an overnight stay at the Glass House Rock Garden Resort. And also our OBL first runner-up, ATENEO Golden Knights, will also receive an overnight stay at Camarin Kiyudkad, the last resort, Seruma, Camarines Sur. Also to receive a gift voucher from Superb Cots and Sew. Our 2025 Oragon Basketball League Superb Cot and Sew Finals MVP is awarded to Alvin Margallo of the NCF Tigers. Our season's MVP will also receive a premium shirt from Bounce Academy NAGA. Our season's MVP will also be receiving a special jersey from KINGPIN CAMSUR.
Ano, maurag ka? This is the Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1 Finals. NCF Tigers versus the ATENEO Golden Knights. Powered by Omnidea. Presented by Elavil Tours Philippines Incorporated. GNN TV48 NAGA, BIDA and BIKOLANO. Safe Gasoline Stations. DELIGOLD Philippines. Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated. NAGA College Foundation Incorporated. Bounce Academy NAGA. MNL KINGPIN Camarines Sur. MARIANO Optical. MARQED Aesthetics and Laser Clinic. 3N Bakery. TRDV Construction and Supply. GILMAR CASA de DESCANSO. ARCO DIEZ. Bonnie and PIGGY Distributors. BICOL Concrete Hollow Blocks. NOLCAST Construction and Supply. HARDSHED Hardware and Construction Supplies. MACHICHU Boneless Fried Chicken. Nike Factory Store NAGA. City Hoops Trophy and Medal Store, the official designer and provider of the OBL Elavil Cup Season 1 trophies and medals. Also brought to you by Angela Trading, Lemon Zone, Claypot Restaurant and Cafe, Anytime Fitness NAGA, Superb Cots and Sew, KD Sportswear, Skytech Advertising, Crown Park Restaurant, Crown Hotel, Home Pet Naga City, Think Pro Incorporated, Pin Cafe, AET Ads, Taylor Swift, Laod Daltagon Siruma, Glass House Beach Resort, Lemon Residences, Tigers Cafe, Nagayon Travel and Tours, Bangkok's Kinalas, Jag Sportswear San Isidro Magarao, Ako Bicol Party List, Tan Dental Clinic, VDC Massage and Spa, Nick Z Shop, Pearl Aesthetic Wellness and Beauty Center NAGA, Chicken Run, Chef Buster Cuisine, Mary's Coffee, Pro Ads Graphic and Signs, Digital Graphics NAGA, Green Plaza Food and Restaurant, Kuya Boy Halo Halo and Treats, K-Less Baby Needs for Less,
our stage, and the NAGA College Foundation has a mission to prepare every student for their elite roles in the future. Here, we learn and we grow.
NESCA Class 2023 is candidate number 14, Iris Oresca of NAGA City. Congratulations!
Once again, your Daragang Tagayat 2024. Candidate number 18, Iris Ignacio Oresca. Rain on the summertime.
I am Iris Ignacio Oresca, your Binibining Camarines Norte and Miss Kaogma 2023 and Daragang Magayon 2024. And I am a Tiger champion. Welcome to the home of the champions.
Welcome to the V Gallery and Museum, NCF's very own cultural hub that houses the humble beginnings of the NAGA College Foundation and its founder, Dr. Melchor T. Villanueva. Gallery and Museum is also a platform for promoting and preserving the BIKOLANO art and empowering Oragon artists. Now, let's leap into the future. This is the NCF CHS Skills Laboratory, the home of Alex, a state-of-the-art AI-powered patient model simulator which revolutionizes practical learning for medical and health services students.
Hi, Alex.
Hello.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling fine.
Alex offers an interactive platform that replicates a wide range of clinical scenarios, ensuring that the students are equipped with the skills and efficiency to excel in the healthcare industry. Another NCF investment on innovation is the NCF Criminal Justice Education Indoor Firing Range, the first world-class indoor firing range in Bicol. NCF is one of the top 10 schools in the Philippines recognized by the Commission on Higher Education Central Office as the Center of Development in Criminology, the cradle of BIKOLANO top-notchers. NCF has unveiled its state-of-the-art Language Center of the Year. This facility designed to elevate global learning and cultural competence. We are setting new standards in international education and securing a future of success for our students.
Welcome to the newly opened Tigers Cafe 3.
Nestled just below the NCF Language Center, the Tigers Cafe experience is a delightful blend of culture and comfort. We embody the farm-to-table concept, ensuring every bite is packed with quality and flavor. So here at the Agri-Technopreneurship Development Center, an organic farm in Bicol is where some of the supply of fresh, organic ingredients come from, which go straight to Tigers Cafe. This is the NCF training pool, where aspiring Tiger champions in swimming hone their skills. This world-class swimming pool offers the perfect environment for achieving aquatic mastery. The NCF values unparalleled safety and swift emergency response. That's why our fleet of dedicated patrol cars and ambulance service ensure a secure campus.
This fully equipped ambulance is ready to provide immediate medical assistance.
Also, here at NCF, you can embark on the road to confidence and mastery with
Maurag ka? This is the Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
And that's the end of our game, and our best player of the game is brought to us by NAGA College Foundation, home of the champion, leap into the future. And beside me is our season's MVP and finals MVP of first ever OBL Elavil Cup, Alwin Margallo. So congratulations on your first championship dito sa ating liga. So ano yung nararamdaman mo, because isa ka sa naging consistent player from day 1 up until this finals game 2 at ikaw rin ang na-awardan ng seasons and finals MVP.
Masaya kasi di ko na-expect na magiging championship, kami makakuha ng first championship ng OBL, then yung season MVP and sa finals MVP. Inisip ko lang naman is makatulong sa team. Every time, every game na binibigay ko yung 100% kong mag-share sa team and matutulong. Sabi ko nga sa mga kasamaan ko, let's help each other lang na makuha every game na yung panalo. Kasi sabi ko, every time na manalo tayo, at least yung momentum natin pangat ng pangat. Para at least at the end of the elimination, makaabot tayo ng finals and yung momentum sa atin pa rin. Ayun nga, nangyari hanggang finals and undefeated kami.
And kumusta naman yung naging journey ng NCF and ikaw? Kasi ito yung first OBL and kayo pa yung nag-champion this time.
Magandang opportunity to sa incoming bukal sa mga active varsity players kasi preparation na rin to sa kanila and help namin to guide them na madala nila yung pagiging role players sa team sa NCF for this coming bukal season 7.
Ayan. And lastly, this is your time to shout out all the supporters of NCF and supporters mo from day 1 up until this championship game number 2.
Siyempre nagpapasalamat ako sa wife ko and sa anak ko na everyday nandiyan para supportan ako and i-guide. Siyempre sa boss namin, Sir Mario, na 100% laging support. Kahit wala siya dito nanonood, talagang ginagawa ng paraan para supportahan kami, and sa boss namin, Sir Joel, na nasa Shakey's Billy ngayon sa Manila. Sir, maraming salamat sa support and good luck po sa games po sa volleyball girls po, and then sa team namin, and siyempre kay Coach Brian sa opportunity na binigay sa amin. And sa mga teammates ko na nagtulungan from the very first start ng OBL hanggang matapos.
Ayan, congratulations again on your winning and championship game this evening. Again, joining me today is our season's MVP and finals MVP, Alvin Margallo.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
And that's our most valuable player para dito sa ating unang season ng Oragon Basketball League. Congratulations, Coach Alwin Margallo and NCF Tigers for getting the championship para dito sa ating OBL. Of course, napakaganda po ng ating naging journey all throughout the Oragon Basketball League. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga sponsors dahil kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi po magpapatuloy itong OBL. And of course, sa mga nakasama po natin ngayon sa ating mga OBL commissioners, Sir Maiko, Sir John Salvador, Sir J.R. Castillo sa ating OBL staff, kay Cristina Valenzuela, Ivy Balantes, Tricia Valentino, Jomer Alvarez, Kylie Toyado, Cesar Mancera at kay Ariana Bacaro, and of course sa inyong Oragon Sports TV staff headed by Engineer Mario C. Villanueva, Sir Jermaine Jacob, Ma'am Irene Tosok, Sir Kim Monteroso, Ma'am Marniala Berido, Brian San Antonio, Erica De Lima, of course your commentators Cristina Alcanzo Reyes and Rick Puerta, at of course kay Jasper Abante, Jarek Nunez, Chan Shara Nicolas, Kyla Casulia, Shulamar Zaimeniano, Casey Anchoquia, Solomon Longalong, A. Sungwad, at kay Sofia Recto. Of course, sa ating lahat ng teams na sumali po sa ating unang season ng OBL, we have NCF Tigers, our champion this season, ATENEO Golden Knights, USI Falcons, UNC Trifid NAGA, Carcido Motors, Jastar Masters, JB Hart, at ACLC Think Pro Hawks. It was a great journey sa atin pong OBL, kaya maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumuporta.
Napakagandang journey ang nangyari dito sa first ever OBL Elavil Cup. Kudos talaga sa lahat ng nasa likod ng camera at sa lahat ng mga sponsors natin, because without you guys, walang mangyaring OBL Elavil Cup. So see you next season. This is Rick Puerta, your commentator.
And I am Cristina Canzareas. Maraming salamat po at mapapanood pa po natin ang ating second season only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, maurag ka? This is the Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1 Finals. And
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon!